Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Check, check, checkity check, checkity check, checkity check, checkity check. All right, ready up here now. Patrick Thomas outside of Gambia, big up yourself. Okay, people, let's go. Let's go. Yo, President, pull up that cloud. Pull it up. All right, what's right now? Party time. Mad people time. Energy. Energy. Let's get crazy. What up, President? Stop, President, stop it. Stop it. Just a bill of vibes. Them are going to get brighter, you know, but just a bill of vibes. I want you play my ad before you play the intro. I want a bill of vibes. So play my ad. The ad with me love. Play the ad there. And before we play the ad, people, you know, so when we grow up in Jamaica, no people don't even know say they have a thing named roast dumpling. Prezi, you ever eat roast dumpling? I bet you never eat roast dumpling yet. Prezi, let me see you. You ever, Prezi, you ever eat roast dumpling? You don't know that's something of the people. Bigger part of the cold stove people and the wood fire people don't know about roast dumpling. Knead up a dumpling and put it directly in the fire. And roast the dumpling. I don't know, normal. I bet you some Mr. Never Rang no know. Mr. Never Rang come from where? Hanover and St. James at the border. I bet him don't know nothing about roast dumpling. I bet you some Mr. Never Rang don't know nothing about roast dumpling. Big up dumpling, I mean say dumpling straight. Alright. Big up the people who can't eat flour dumpling straight. Look at Carmela for tonight. You know some never really figure out how I go on this. And now me never figure out how I go on this, you know. Yeah, you have a whole heap of Jamaican. Them can't eat straight flour dumpling. Look at Carmela for tonight. What the Carmela do? And when they put the caramel in it, a little bit of caramel and put in it. A little bit of caramel and put in it. The caramel don't even make no difference. You know when you eat festival and thing, you taste the caramel in it. Them people, when they eat the dumpling with the flour, them have a sprinkle a little bit of caramel and else them can't eat it. You don't even taste the caramel in it. Or they don't write it. Or they don't write it. So before we play the intro present, play my ad. Play my ad. Turn it up.
Got to make a stop at my favorite spot. Back to the original dumpling shop.
Yes!
People like to grab them when they're fresh and hot. Everybody knows that we love it. At the original dumpling shop. Dumplings great like that. Lots of fried fish is only on them top. With vinegar and pepper and enough carrot. Try the ackee.
What you mix, you know? What you mix, you know? What you mix? What you mix? What dumpling shop, they got pull up. No, sir, what a ad bad. Run it one more time again, President. Never get brought up, but a mini Ragashanti. I like it. Run it. Hey.
Back to the original dumpling shop.
Sure.
People like to grab them when they're fresh and hot.
Hey.
Everybody knows that we love it. Spread.
Hey.
At the original dumpling shop. Our handmade dumplings great like that. Lots of fried fish is only on them top.
Hey.
Vinegar and pepper and enough carrot. Try the ackee and salt with the ham and the pot.
Make we mash up the place, you know. Dumpling shop, they call it dumpling shop. Sure.
Everybody say we're the cream of the crop.
Hey.
Dongs right next to the 5 train stop. 2425 Manchester Avenue in the Bronx.
I rather add that.
718-653-7777.
I rather add that. Okay, let's go.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
TamFam live. Family. Energy time. Ready up now.
I'm want to call and talk.
Ready up now. Energy now. Energy.
Hold on. The boy have you.
President, stop it. All right. Who are the most energetic Jamaican performers them we know about, right? Number 3, we can say is Luciano. Luciano really active when he perform, you know. A long time I not see him perform, so I don't know if him slope, you know. A couple times him drop off a box to and popping clot and thing. But him ever lively. Right? And then in a dancehall, for years, we have two performers who then keep up them energy. Sometimes people are debate which one more energetic than the other one. Elephant Man, who actually have the alter ego in terms of nomenclature, energy god, and Capleton. I always like to get Prezi opinion upon them. Prezi, between Elephant Man and Capleton, which one have more energy? Capleton, you say Capleton the fireman. You know what, I agree with you. But you know some people war with me about it. And just because Elephant Man have the other name, Energy God, people I say, yo, Elephant Man more like, Prezi, when Capleton a jump in the, you know say Capleton jump the highest out of all DJ. Out of all DJ, them Bounty Killer can't jump as high as Capleton. Beenie Man can't jump as high as Capleton. Baby Shan can't jump as high as Capleton. Lexus can't even jump period with him bag herself. Right? Who else me see like full of vibes when them a perform? Me no know no other artist jump higher than the fireman Capleton. The man have that something they lack. And it is even more interesting because I be a big clothes him wear and be a he wear so heavy clothes, you know theme thing them have some unique tailored clothes. Them shoes them have to make for match him out. When Capleton a jump, me have to wonder, then how the man go so high. Alright? I mean I tell us a bigger part of the energy performer them right now, you know. But none of them can't touch Raga. None of them can't touch Raga. Intro again, Prezi, run it. Come, Prezi, run the intro.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Mariska, big up. Philly massive, big up. Pennsylvania massive, large up. New York, Connecticut, Jersey. Let's go. Florida, California, large up. DMV, Maryland.
Raga.
Yeah.
Beside the girl with the next side of story about the red Raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world. Hi. Ragashanti are the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
On and on. Let's go.
Yes.
Check.
So you know how you feel
Check,
like this,
check,
right?
check.
And you know me have to listen to your
Check,
program
check.
because you talk a crocus bag of things with the scandal side of it.
Where the tambourine, you know? Where the tambourine?
I mix up and blend that time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Here we go.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Here we go now.
I mix up and blend that time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti
Make up your face, gal. 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 Give me the wine, 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 gal. Slow wine now. Slow wine now. Take your time now. Take your time now. Dainty wine, gal. Dainty wine, gal. Dainty wine, gal. Dainty wine, gal. Fast wine now. 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 Fast wine now.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, big up everybody on the wall already. Large up on yourself in a big respect and thing. Sin. A mad thing. Let's go. Energy. Energy, 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 energy. Lego that, Lego that, Lego that. Greetings and respect, big up yourself, all massive and crew. My name Ragashanti, you're in tune to Ragashanti live on the Big Bad Bridge 99 FM. All Bridge Nation massive in Jamaica, big up on yourself. And of course, it's a Friday night, so it's all about a simulcast. We are talking about the IrieJam family, big up on yourself, New York and the surrounding metropolitan environment. Environment is correct, it's also unknown. Big up on yourself, yeah? Connecticut family, large up, Jersey family, big up on yourself, upstate. Well, top side, New York City, big up on yourself. Big up all who are listening online and Ting all over the world and Ting. England massive, Carolina and all them people, Shabba and them people. Well, Shabba my brethren, not Shabba ranks, you know. Over there in London, we're lucky and Ting, big up on yourself, proper respect. What we say Florida massive, Dosa, DMV. What we say what? Maryland, right? DC and Virginia. Large up on yourself, Delaware family, Gossa, you see it. PA, on don't know. Jersey, say. CA, California, Linky, and the whole works over there and Ting, big up on yourself, everything is everything. Well, on don't know, so when we open the phone line, it's all about, calling, but we want calling with. Boy, you see that topic there from Wednesday, we still at work with that topic there if we don't want calling with it. And what we are saying about that topic there? Because Friday night, you know, is a whole different audience we reach on a Friday night, you know. So we're going to see how that topic can work. What we want to do is call in and share with me something you did do in your past relationship. In a past relationship. Well, I know your ex don't know, so you do it. Right? It's a topic we deal with already and thing about the regular Ragashanti live topic that well, not regular, but we have done it before. Prezi, you buy food? Your food come. How you buy tonight, Prezi? Prezi, more in our business. What kind of food you buy tonight? Prezi, what kind of food you buy? What a soup or juice? Juice? You not buying no food tonight? You cut out the late night eating down. Prezi, you did get one girl when you go to Dubai? You did get one woman when you go to Dubai? Okay, all right, I just check out. A juice, Prezi, I work with. All I want to know, a juice, Prezi, I work with in 990, you know? So what I say, I want to call in and tell me something I want to do in a past relationship where I know the ex don't know so they do that something there. Whatever it is. Whatever it is, right? So remember now, you can call in and talk about anything you want to talk about, see? Anything you want to talk about, Ragashanti style, Mixup entertainment style, and you know the levels, all right? Anything you want to talk about, that we say energy and vibes, right? This is a culture, lifestyle, culture and lifestyle Mixup entertainment show, and that's the thing there. So you just call in with anything within that framework, all right? Make it happen. But we have a topic where we are work with, as usual, right? So we just want to call in and tell us something what you do in a past relationship. Where I know your ex don't know, so you did do that something then. Whatever it is. Probably it's something you do for your own initiative or for your own impulse. Perhaps it's something you did in reaction to something what your ex did do. Perhaps that's something what did happen accidentally and you never mean it. Right? But we just want to call in and share something that you did in a past relationship that I know your ex don't know say you did do that. All right? But I have not run the mix-up to start the show. We don't even run the mix-up. We're going to go straight to the phone line and keep it energetic and vibes and things. So let me go on to the number. Them. If you call from the United States right now or Canada, the toll-free number is... Not that it matters. Most people you're on unlimited phone plans, so toll-free are not going to still good. But anyway, I'm required to say that to you. That is a toll-free number. Okay, then the number is 888-546-8742. If you make the link from Jamaica, this is the number. 876-676 4996. All right, next week, Friday, what is you know? Well, when I don't know, say Ragashanti, you know, say DJ Chris Cross, I'm a look DJ that, right? For years and years, I'm a little brother that. So next week, Friday, the general will come through New York and things. So, you know, so him can't forward and I not support him. So, next week, Friday, what? Dave's birthday bash, Stars Palace, for Merritt Boulevard, in Laurelton. Well, cross me over there, you know, next week, Friday, when the show done, me will just roll through and go check it out and thing. Dave's birthday bash, DJ Chris Cross. And all TamFamers don't know that link there, you know. And 90s, be a 90s till now. I saw the thing set. And DJ Oxtail from Road International, I go there play also. And of course, the boss himself, Rory, original Stone Love. Original Stone Love Jenna. I go there. You understand? So DJ Chris Cross, DJ Oxtail, and Rory Stone Love. That's our next week Friday. Stars Palace. Right? So when the show done, me I go just juggle over there and thing. I'm going to support my little brother DJ Chris Cross since him come through the place. Can't make the boss come through the place. I'm going to go over there and give some support and thing. All right? Next week, Friday, Stars Palace. You know, I'm never going to that place yet, Prezi. You know, Prezi, Stars Palace in the big. About how much people it hold? What, like if you estimate about how much people it hold? About what? Like what? 400 or 500 or that too much? Eh? About 300? About 300. Stars Palace. Well, I'm going to know how it look and whatever. Cause I look about some venue, you know, because summer come up and thing and, you know. You don't know, so Ragashanti is September, man, so. And the place open up a little bit, you know. Well, the place open up, pandemic thing, so look at something I go on and thing. See about some events and thing because when I keep on ask me. Right? When I keep on, Raga, you know, keep something. We long for something for the TamFam. Raga, me no go to, you know, but I just your event, them go and ray. So, me I go keep some people no want to say big up on themselves and thing, all right? And so I want enough respect to all the people I'm up there in the Bronx and all them place and thing, large up on yourself and thing. Furniture deal large up yourself, you know. And thing, IrieJam big up on yourself, all of my Bronx linky. And big up my sister and thing, and whatever. She not too like the limelight type of thing and whatever. Big up my brother in Jamaica, Willie, big up yourself. And thing, big up all of my Augustown family, them and my Waterhouse, linky, them and I don't know the things set. Anything off of Waltham, anything off of Bay Farm Road, and thing, Ugly Park, massive and thing, large upon yourself and thing, everything. Call a little better and you don't know, so save you and all them place there. Give me the call, Prezi. Give me the call. Yeah, Penwood Road family, and I don't know. Firehouse, Mangostown and them ends there, Greenwich. Large upon yourself, TG Massive, West Kingston, do so. Yeah, greetings, hello. Hello.
Hi, Raga, good night.
Good night. Wagwan.
No, God, what's I'm calling from Brooklyn, New York? What, not so much.
Then I make you laugh, so I was sweet as I put us. Jesus have mercy. Then I could have what take for your fancy, so. Eh?
I just told you
What's up? Talk to me.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
No, what is the topic tonight? I'm tuning in from just come home from work. What is the topic tonight?
You just come home from work.
What you do where you
tell us something what you do in a past relationship where all know your ex no know say you did do that.
Sneak out of the house and go to my next ex so they must sleep.
Jesus, God, what are the Tambourine? So what are they? When you didn't live with the person who did do it back then, you know, they live at the same place, right?
Not really live, but I used to have my own house in my people's own house, but he used to come over like most every night to sleep at my house.
Oh, Zin. So tell me how this...
I was in a relationship.
No, but explain how that did come for happen now.
Let me tell you. I was in a relationship, right?
Yeah.
And me used to work like a lot of times. So when I'm home, like I used to be home every Thursday. I used to be off every Thursdays and Sundays.
Yeah.
So when I was off now,
yeah,
I was feeling neglected. You know, like he not really had no time for me. So my ex-boyfriend...
Well on. So when you did off on Thursdays and Sunday, him never did one with you them time there?
No, he come home late. Sometimes he come home, sometimes he come home late.
Oh, and you felt neglected and lonely on Thursdays and Sundays? Or in general, in the relationship?
in the relationship.
Oh, okay. And yeah, go on explain, you know, yeah.
So he came home, so I'm smoking, you know.
Yeah.
Him smoke, so him come home now tired, drop asleep, so my ex text me. And he's like, what's up, I miss you. So I say, I'm a little across the bed. So I say, no, I miss you too.
Mm-hmm.
So I say, can you leave? I said, yeah, sure. So I just looked at him and I saw that he was sleeping.
Yeah.
And I just get dressed.
Yeah.
And go with my ex and do what I do and come back.
And you go over your ex and dash out the nookie and you and your ex go on with a bag of something and do the things them and thing and whatever.
Because my ex is a super freak, you know.
Yeah, your ex. Hold on. Let's be careful. So it was the ex. It was the second ex at the time. He was a super freak. And him said do the something with them though. And the one where he did there with at that time, was he a super freak?
I'm a Jamaica. I said, Jamaica, me not do this, me not do that.
Oh, so that one then. And when you say smoke, him did that burn the weed, though?
Yes, I come home, drop asleep.
And come home, drop asleep. Hold on. So that person, was it Jabba? No, me just ask, was it Jabba? A Jabba did burn the weed and come home and drop asleep and elephant go back. Was it Jabba? Are the Jabba?
No.
Oh, me just ask. So when you say him burn the weed and come home and when the weed bust in his head, him come home later and drop asleep and the other time you want to look at servicing and all these things and whatever.
Yes.
So your other ex...
I'm going to keep it. You know when female close to them period, they get super hardy. You know,
well, yeah. We're not getting too much detail about that car radio. But yeah, for a lot of women, when it come close to that and whatever, them body, hey. Yeah, so you did prime up that night there and thing and your ex call you and thing and whatever. And sitting. And from him call you don't know why I'm a pre, don't?
Yeah, because I know my ex bring to the table. And we was still cool, even though he was my ex, we never no animosity. We was still cool. He still love me, I love my kids them same way and do anything. So so what's up? You understand?
So what you do? You
beard. I did it.
So what you do? You beard and put on a nice upon them something there?
Of course.
Box.
Nice up.
Yeah. And then you go over there and think. And you say you know what your ex bring to the table and based on the fact so you say him is a super freak, you know say him set table too. You understand? Right? Because not only you know what him bring to the table, but from where you talk about it look like him will put you on the table. You understand?
Yeah, on the table, anywhere put me table, car, everywhere.
Listen to me now, man. We be the man say, bam, bed, panties against the wall. That was your ex, no? Backside, you know.
It was very spontaneous, like if we're coming from dinner, I saw pull over, stuff like that. You know the way?
Yeah, pull over upon the road and thing and shot, please, no. And whatever, I say, catch your foot just upon the bonnet and thing and send on down.
Exactly.
So, well, the one where you did there with him never have the spontaneity and the adventurous type.
Boring, like watching paint dry.
Oh, it's like watching paint, and him was a Jamaican one, right?
Yeah, boring.
So
like watching paint dry.
So would you, before we get into the more into the mixer, would you say that Jamaican men still have the problem, the thing changed now?
Some of them, Raga, some of them.
Well, some of them.
Not all of them.
Not all of them.
Like that. Like, not all of them. Some of them is like that.
Okay, so some of them kind of adjust and them do the something with them now, don't?
Yes.
Okay, but some of them still hold it and now do nothing freaky, don't?
Yeah, they don't want to try this, they don't want to try that. Even certain food they don't want to try. They don't want to go to different restaurants. They never stuck on.
Just stuck in at them weird. Like, and them quick first thing them tell them, me a Jamaican, me not eat them something. Me a Jamaican, me not do that. Okay. Exactly. But tell me something. When you speak with your girlfriends and things, who happen to be Jamaican, right? And you just give me your opinion upon it. But is this a general thing amongst women that them have a problem with Jamaican men who not? Explain that. I'm
a Puerto Rican friend, them who work downstairs. I'm in Java. I have a problem with Jamaica. Jamaican, they're good providers, right? Don't get me wrong.
Good providers, yeah. But
they're good provider, but when it comes to like being spontaneous, like trying different stuff.
Right.
You know? Like different food, travel. Some of them don't really like travel, go different places.
Okay.
They need to come out of that.
Okay.
You know what I mean? They like
okay.
do spontaneous stuff. All right. For example, me and him was coming from somewhere. So I say what hotel. So I could pull over and go to the hotel now.
Yeah.
Just feel like a change.
Yeah.
You know, it's a regular like
Yeah.
Me have money, you want no problem. If you hotel leave whatever.
See
you
it.
can pull over and go to the hotel. I'm not going to the effing hotel. You know, them dumb stuff.
Right,
like,
just some spontaneous, some fun, you know,
Yes,
or even goofy,
yes,
playful
yes.
stuff. You know, you're making memories.
Yeah.
You know, you're making memories. And
Exactly.
And when you say when you say that, and when you say when you say that.
You said I'm not going to the effing hotel.
Ah, Jesus. Hey, you know, so one time a woman called me with a mix-up, you know, and she's over in Brooklyn too, you know, big woman, and if she listen, she gonna know. And who listen, me sure gonna know. And she said she's Jamaican too, you know, but she there with this Jamaican man and whatever. And one day she decided she has surprise him, you know. And she gonna make one bath for him, one special bath, but the bath must go have all kind of something in it with look a smoker come out, right? And she gonna put flowers and things from the doorway. But you know that look it's kind of cliche, but it's still romantic. You know, roses from the door come in, and she lock off the light them and go light candle and whatever. And she said, from the man reach the door, him say, I want the big clot to go on, yes, sir. I want do. I want. And she said she had try calm him down. I said, no, it's for your birthday and thing and whatever. And she cook a meal for him and she said, come here, man. And she said, the man just have like a piece of tension and suspicion, like, I what she up to and whatever. Cut long story. When she tell the mix-up, you know, the mix-up did turn up. But cut long story short, you see when the man see the candle and thing and him see the bath and thing, you know, with the petal and he cuss out her class. I say, hey girl, I hope you, man. I tell you what, come tie bad man. I tell you what, come to the holy for candle and you smoke them and whatever. I tell hey, and a big man, you know, she says she see him so till. So a lot of Jamaican man really not have the exposure there, and even if them not have the exposure, when it's introduced to them don't even kind of open themselves up a little bit and try, don't it?
They need to open up and come out of the woods, come out of the cave.
Come out of the cave.
Come out of the woods.
Talk to them. Talk to the Jamaican man, them who are low up thing. Talk to them.
Come out of the cave, man, and please, when the woman go around, when I left on the bed and go around to the man, do the things them.
Yeah. All right. You have one.
Come out of the cave.
You have one caller where we have him call every Friday. Him name Mr. Never Wrong. Him in a cave too, you know. Right? And him no want to try. Talk to him too because him a go low. Talk to Mr. Never Wrong. Tell Mr. Never Wrong where you have a beautiful wife. She's doing everything for you. She's pretty, she's clean, you know, that's your woman. Like, you can try stuff. Try something.
You know, like, try something, man.
Yeah.
You know?
Because if you don't try something.
Bad man no do this, you know. Bad man no do that. Bad man no like Kango. Gonna obvious thing we not deal with.
Yeah. Take it to them. So you said, but so hold on, when you didn't leave.
Victoria's Secret, you buy the expensive Kango.
Yeah.
Expensive Kango, Victoria's Secret. $50 for the Kango. You make a nice dinner, you know, some Barry White. Yo, gonna obvious thing the girl you are deal with, man.
Me say the man make up be nice and say, I'm not nothing. I a woman, I tell you want come tie bad man. Go away from your son, man. And him deal with her wicked. She said she shame. So when after you go over, you went name that time, then now no go on with the something with them. You know one point to me want. Enough people don't know the road code when you go start out with your born woman or your born man and thing. What you do to make sure so when you come back, nothing will look suspicious upon you. What you do? How you fix your ear? You did beard or talk it to? Just talk it to. What you do?
Yeah, my beard. Maybe the beard from my ex. I'm going to come home with us.
No, man. Well on the right this one. If you go to the bonner man or the bonner woman, what are the rules? When you beard with soap?
Of course. I'm saying not sleep, you know.
Okay, I'm asleep.
When I leave, I know it smell like I know me I leave.
Okay, so you never, and you fix up back your ear and all them something they don't.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, a woman me learn this from, you know. I'm just amazed how woman can look on somebody ear and say she have sex and I edit so. Only can look on woman ear and know them something. Certain way.
Pull up.
I wait proceed.
You know we wear wig.
Yeah.
Some of we wear wig now. We wear braid and stuff so that not really get frizzy out like that.
Okay.
Wash it up and it come right back.
So what I know? Probably then it's a good idea then if a woman are gonna get born for carry wig and just have more time catch a wig one side and do it shot and put on back a wig down. So that night
and the next thing I'm gonna do him never really was helping me a lot with the bills, right?
Him never really was what?
helping a lot with the bills.
With the
Even
bills?
though
Okay.
yeah, helping me. So I'm always come home and count money, right? I made have a sofa.
Well, and him come home and count money?
And I count money, yeah. Listen,
Yeah.
I had a sofa that, like, there was space under the bottom.
Right.
So what I do now, I just rub him head.
Yeah.
And when him put the money, and I don't know something to do that. When him put the money and they go, I just kick them out the couch.
Or when they put the money upon the ground, you kick them under the couch?
Underneath the couch. I just rub him head and just kick the money underneath the couch.
Jesus have what you say, every night? Every night? Oh, because he might count the money, so him don't know how much money he have yet, don't?
No, he put them on the ground and I count them.
And him regular thing have to sit down at the couch and count the money, don't?
Yes.
And you say your thing was to go over there and rub him head and distracting and thing, and when him not thing, you kick money under the couch and him don't know, so you kick money. Jesus God. And you say every night that you do to him, don't?
Yeah, when I'm there, yeah, when I'm there at work.
Okay, because him the tight on the funds and I want to let out, so you didn't have to take something off for him, don't?
Me have to take it, yes, yep.
Backside, you know. So some good money. So him did mean?
In the kind, I mean, but you used to work good money because in the construction and flooring.
Oh, okay.
Cash out $800 for the day.
Yeah.
In a cat, so when he come home, I just take one. Sometimes I just when I'm counting them, I just like rub it in and kick them underneath the couch.
And then when him done check and gone, you go back and pick up the money they done.
We go back and pick them up. Yeah, for the week we make a lot of money for the week like that.
So for the week, like about how much money you will make like for the week when you beat him at night time. About how much money you make for the week, eh?
Sometimes 8, sometimes 7, sometimes 8, sometimes 1,000.
Yeah, sometimes 7 bills or 8 bills or 1,000 and you know easy. Yo, you're bad girl, you know. You think you're nice. Anyway, big up yourself for your thanks to them, they alright?
So that's a something when I know, when I know, so we do them too.
No, your ex don't know, so you didn't do them things the way you had him today. I like it. I love the energy when you forward with the thing with, alright? Bless up yourself, be your goodie. Yeah, man.
You too.
Man, anyway, people, watch your ride. We're going to break. We're soon forward. Wayo!
Right, bye-bye.
From Black Bridge to the George Washington Bridge. From the top of the Empire State Building to the Blue Mountain Peak. From the Grill Point to Morant Point to Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, New York City. It's IrieJam.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling, Ragashanti live and on the ears right now. That's the thing there. Send on the call, Prezi, one time, rings. Greetings, good night, hello. 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 Yes, greetings.
Yo.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Yeah.
That's bro. Look at.
Well on, Prezi, tell him, well on, turn up in Jamaica, call him the film, turn them up the film, now invite lower, yeah, talk up fast, energy in the Friday, yeah.
So first of all, well, you know, it's amazing to me that lady just called that she who would have left that ex, because that ex is better than the Y.
The ex is better than the who?
Y.
Oh, the ex is better than the Y?
Yes.
Explain what you mean by that.
Well, meaning that the ex to her seems to have been better than the current one that she's having right now.
That she's having right now?
Yeah, yes.
But she never said nothing about who she there with now?
No. Remember, no. She was telling you that she leave when the man come in first.
Oh no, hold on now. She was talking about the topic is on a past relationship, you know. So both were past, none is present. So there is no no. There is no no. So she did there with somebody.
That just a while ago. It wasn't a no issue. It was a then issue.
No. The topic is call in and tell us something that you did with your ex that I know your ex don't know, so you do.
I understand that.
Yeah.
I understand that quite well.
Right.
What I'm trying to tell you is that the lady who have just called a while ago, it would appear that her ex is better than her current partner.
But what I'm saying, why would you say that when she said nothing about her current partner? We don't even know if she have a current partner.
Well, as far as she was saying that that gentleman comes in tired, and you know, she put on her clothes and would say the ex, and the ex do the things them double freak and do everything, you know.
Yes, but what you're not understanding is that both men were in the past.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that is the part where you not get. So in the past, she did there with somebody, right? Okay. Who is her ex now. But I remember, let me say it to you a way where you understand. So in the past, when she did there with one her ex, when that one her ex him come in and smoke him weed and whatever, she did go look for her other ex in the past. Yeah. So I think you got to look a bit confused right there. That's why I make you kind of throw me off. Because when you said no, so you never really pick up that. But everything we're talking about now is to do with ex, you know?
Okay.
All right, yeah.
Well, but the ex could mean that it is, you know, could have been now. Because ex is past and current is current. But anyway, we're not going to do that much now. But you know what I was listening yesterday.
Yeah.
When you were, you know, the topic that you were having on Free Up.
Yeah.
Yesterday, with the lady who, you know, that gentleman left her and went overseas because her family's, his family, tell him to
yeah, let me just tell a listener. Let me quickly tell a listener so them know what you're talking about. So you have this thing I got up, you know, whatever. Twitter. This woman, she have a boyfriend and she get pregnant and the boyfriend family tell him say, you know, he must deny the pregnancy and them send him away go foreign from Jamaica, right? Well, I'm assuming Jamaica. And them send him away go foreign from Jamaica. After that, when she was 2 months pregnant, she meet a man who take a liking to her and didn't know say she pregnant and him take her up with the belly and whatever and give her full support right through the pregnancy and thing. After they pick the barn, him take on the responsibility of the child and then him send her go school and all these things and whatever and so forth. And he did it for her and make tremendous sacrifices for her and thing. That time, you know, as she and him a juggle. 5 years after, her baby father come back from foreign and draw back for her. And the baby father draw back for her and thing and whatever. She then say she was still in love with her baby father. And that she now was trying to, she asked for help. What she must tell the man who did it with her for 5 years after the baby father left her with the belly and all them something. The man who did it for 5 years. So she asked people for help her for find out what she must tell him, for left him and go back to the baby father who she said the baby father may bring her go foreign. She said he might bring her go foreign. So she want left the brother who did it with her and go to the baby father. So she asked people, you know, for help her, for find a way for broke it off with him. And she said the reason she have to do it is that even though him did it with her for the 5 years with the belly and the picnic and everything, she said he was not her type. And she can't be a hypocrite with the thing. So in not being a hypocrite, she want to go back to the baby father. So that is what this caller was talking about. That was dealt with yesterday on Free Up, which is on Ragashanti TV, on YouTube every Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 12 o'clock Jamaica time. So he's referring to that. So continue now, caller. Yeah.
Yes, indeed. So, you know, very comprehensive summary.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You know, what I found amazing is that this gentleman was not strong, that he was influenced by his parents, you know, to leave her 2 months pregnant.
Yeah.
You understand? He was not a strong person.
Right.
And it is very sad to know that a lady, you know, a man would have really seen her and loved her and take her up with her 2 months pregnancy.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, he was right there for her right throughout, you know, the pregnancy and, you know, send her back to school.
Mm-hmm.
And she's now going to say no, that she never love him.
Mm-hmm.
Because she was always in love with her baby father.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You know, it is quite unfortunate. I don't know if she's listening, and I hope that she's listening. And as far as I am concerned, I would give her this advice: is that she would stay with the current man that she's with.
Okay, but no, question though.
Yes.
She says she don't love him and he's not for her type. In other words, she was in a situation that she didn't want to be in. Right? No, I agree. I listen to me. I am not taking any side here, you know. I'm just playing devil's advocate for it kind of make you understand. Say,
well, I can't play that
hold on.
I will take the side.
Okay, you don't like that term. As a man of God, you don't like the devil's advocate thing. Okay, understood. Okay, let us just say that I'm being a provocateur in terms of stimulating discourse. All right? But what I'm saying, what if her argument is, I know, you know, an observer would say, no, that man was there for you or whatever, but if me not like him, me not like him. And if I'm not happy with him, I'm not happy with him. And if I want to leave him, and if my mind dead, I know when I want to leave him. If I stay, not only me I got unhappy, but him I got unhappy and miserable. So as bad as the thing, look, the right thing for me to do is really leave him. What about the argument?
So the question was she happy before this man came back into the picture?
No. She said she's basically saying she wasn't, but it was just convenient for her.
Oh.
By the way, is not unusual. That is common. A lot of people deal with people for convenience. You know that too. Am I right?
It's sad though.
No, hold on. You know. A lot of people would tell you, say, a damn foolish is here talk about love. When you are there with somebody, know where you can get from it. No other person that can help you out. No other person can make you secure. No other person can be a partner in a life and make some money, get some property and all them something there, whatever. Ignore this foolish damn love thing where the pandays are for a life and thing. And I love you from here and I will jump off the mountain and your love is outside of another galaxy. No people that say a damn foolishness that they're with somebody. The convenience thing, you know that too.
Well, you know, as far as what I see it, you know, if she go to that baby father, I am sure over time she's going to regret it, because the fact remains that she's not going to find out that, you know, as far as I am concerned, you know, the truth of the matter is that this man is quite unstable in my view. Because as a real
No, you don't know that. Perhaps he was under him parents' influence and he make a bad decision. 5 years later, him suddenly, you know, him have a little time for realize, like, you know what? I really move wrong right there. So I am the father of that child. I'm going to take on my responsibility and so forth. Perhaps that could be his thinking. Additionally, some people would say, yeah, the thing look away now, but what wrong with that woman? I give the father of her child a chance to redeem himself. What is wrong with that? And having to make a difficult decision in doing so. There's some people who say there's nothing wrong with that. That's the father of her child. A lot of mothers, they would prefer to have the father at them picnic. It may not work, you know, but at least I must say, we have to try. So if him come back and present the opportunity to her, it sound cool. So she going to let go the man who did it, who hold it with her through the belly and thing, and he did it as a father figure for the picnic, through thick and thin and whatever. But some people, they say, yeah, but you have to understand, you know, she just did a reach a try a thing for kind of see if she can work it out with the biological father. Who are the one where she really in love with anyway? Eh? Carla? Oh, it look like something up now. Oh, probably, you know, Carl from Jamaica and all these things. All right, we have 5 minutes before the break. Give me our next Carla President. Send on. Greetings.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
What go on? Me there, you know. My belly full of my auntie.
Your belly full of what?
Shrimp.
Shrimp?
Yes. I had curried shrimp.
Raga, my one for a chicken back.
Chicken back. Oh, this Mataran?
Yes.
Big up St. Elizabeth Mataran in the building. Wagwan goody.
But there, you know, I hear you talk to the man a while ago, you see?
Yeah.
And a lot of people found it, well, I wouldn't say people, a lot of women would have found themselves in that situation, you know. Sometimes you might be with someone,
yeah,
but at the end of the day, it's not necessarily you love the person, but you're in a situation.
See?
But let me tell you something, Raga.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you look back, you say to yourself, say, but you don't really like that person, this was the reason why you're in it.
Right.
And if you don't really love the person, you don't make no sense to stay in it.
But somebody would say to you now, yeah, but you didn't. Why you never leave before the person come back and a draw back for you? Why you want to leave now? Why the justification is coming about now when your ex a draw back for you and you want to leave that one? And why you never leave before if you never did like it? And what would your response be?
Most of the time, guess what? Guess a Raga. Some of the time, you know, you're in a relationship with somebody. You see first go Raga, you know, work, and you see second go, me I tell you say better than the first.
In this case, where your baby father left you with the belly and gone and run where left you?
But yes, that can happen.
And then the person who pick you up with the belly and thing and hold it with you and provide for you and spend money upon you and care about you and encourage you and push you for achieve and send you go school and all these things and you grew and thing. And as soon as the baby father say, yo, me in the place, you just want to drop him. So some people are going to say that's selfish. What would your response be to the people who are going to say that is selfish and wicked? What would you say to them?
Love conquers all.
Love with the backside. Yeah, what is you really not love something that matter and you think that I love conquers all something that really work?
Yes, because sometimes as I say, let me tell you, I've known a situation when me see a woman there with certain man, I mean no say if her back wasn't against the wall, she wouldn't there with a man. But me no say that is just to that the man then at the end of the frame, that the man then at the picture a couple of years time. So
all right, if I were to follow your logic then you're saying that it's quite okay for somebody there with somebody as a placeholder until something better come then. Even because them know say them not
that is to happen.
Right, so I'm saying
but
you're
when
saying
you reach a point no.
No, I'm asking you. You're saying it happened, but I'm asking you what is the reason for it happening? And I'm asking you also, are you saying that it's quite okay to do that? Are you saying, is that what you're saying?
No, I'm not saying it's okay.
All right, hold on.
If it reach a point.
Hold on. You can't stay upon the line?
Yeah, man.
All right, people, just want to remind you that on Fridays, Ragashanti Live is simulcast on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Big bad station that tear down the whole of Jamaica. And also right here on the IrieJam radio in New York City. But on Friday nights, because we're simulcasting, we have to break at the top of the hour for 3 minutes for 93.5, all right? So we're approaching that in 30 seconds. Such will be the case. So we're going to take a break for 3 minutes at the 10 o'clock hour here in New York, which is the 9 o'clock hour in Jamaica. And we'll be back in 3 minutes. And we're going to continue and concur my talk with Mataran, original TamFam from long time, them days and thing when Ragashanti I do him show from Jamaica and thing. And we are going to juggle the show same. I love the energy. So now just hold tight. We'll soon forward. Scene.
Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live. Ragashanti Live.
Check. Back in at the juggling Ragashanti Live in our ears with yours truly, me, Ragashanti, Mr. Washbelly and thing. I saw the thing set and thing, all right? So we're going to juggle back right now with the reason when Mataran again and finish the meds. Mataran, what say you? Yeah.
So may I say with that situation there, Raga?
Yeah.
It's just unfortunate. It's not a cool thing, but it's just unfortunate. And as I said, there are a lot of women who found themselves in that situation.
All right, then. Based on what you said, then, is it a good idea for people to, and again, this is going to sound like a no-brainer. People are going to be like, well, duh, Raga, of course, that's a go on. But I'm just saying it for the purposes of our discussion. Is it a good idea for people to understand that you can, in a relationship, and somebody express themselves to you like, say, them love you and it's all about you, but you have to figure out some way to determine if the person just has said that no, based on certain things where you provide to them, and if something better come along, the person can leave you. And it's not, perhaps it's not in your best interest to start thinking, say, yo, the person are wicked because they're a traitor and whatever. But, because you don't understand that from the get-go, from your juggle. What do you think about that?
But many a times, the person don't know that.
Or you mean the person who I use, many a time, them don't know that, right?
The person who I get the use, many a time don't know that.
No, fine, I'm saying that. But if we were to learn something from this, right? Because you got people that say she are wicked and this and that and whatever. But what I'm saying, unless what we can learn from this is like, yo, you can deal with somebody, and the person I say it's all about you and whatever. But you have to kind of develop that capacity there to kind of filter through some of the noise or some of the energy will come at you. And as much as possible, perhaps you can, perhaps you can't, but as much as possible, work out the thing for say, why this person really there with me? What are the reasons why this person there with me? And sometimes you can't stay in night, but say that person just there with me because a certain thing I'm going to provide for them materially. And if someone so come back or whatever, if them get a better option, them are going to left me and thing. Is you think that is a healthy way to think when you're in a relationship?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Because so Raga, the situation where you talk about now, right?
Yeah.
The person who went into the relationship that was, 2 months pregnant?
Yeah.
Did the man knew at the time that she was pregnant?
Oh, yeah. She was very clear about that the man take her up with the belly and thing and everything. And
well,
she
look here.
If she knows,
Well, Raga, you know me always tell my brother, say, Mr. Look here. When you go up on a road and you see a woman and a woman tell you she's pregnant, when you meet her today and she tell you she's pregnant tomorrow or whatever, I believe so you should look over your shoulder.
No. Hold on, She did 2 months pregnant, but she tell him she's pregnant for somebody else,
Yep.
So
but I am saying,
yeah.
Raga, you is a man. And you meet a woman at 2 months pregnant. At what time she was out of the relationship? Was she in a relationship? Or was she just in a relationship that just based for sex alone?
She never provide them details. All she said, she met the man. Well, she met the man know say the baby father cut. So that's why him just say, all right, me hold it with you.
Okay, well, he hold it with him. Well, she go hold it back with the baby father now. I believe that sometimes man makes stupid decisions.
So you think that was a stupid decision? You think that was a stupid decision on his part for go pick her up with the belly?
I don't think it was a well thought out decision.
You kind of smooth it out. So let me push you and press you a little bit. Are you saying that even the stupid might be a little bit strong, but are you saying that men should avoid picking up woman with belly? Is that your say?
I am going to say when a man meets a woman and she declare that she is pregnant, you're going to be careful how you go into that relationship, the amount of emotional connection and settlement that you invest in that relationship.
Well, I agree with you. Let me just say that. I agree with you. But anyway, real quickly, tell me something what you do in a past relationship where I know your ex and say you do that.
Tell us something like what?
Tell me something that you did in a past relationship. And I know the ex where you did there with another relationship don't know say you did do that something there.
Well, all right. Let's go back to, let's say, 2001 when did you say just come out?
Yeah.
I got a phone. He bought me a phone.
He buy your phone,
yeah. So we have the same number. I used to call him at night time. I look him and him don't know say I look him. I do the things for the phone too,
No, sir, I can't believe that. He must pick up your voice.
Seriously.
He must pick up your voice.
Seriously.
Or him not pick up your voice.
No.
Or him not pick up your voice.
No, I'm not for that away here.
So what you mean? What you mean? Call him and look. What you mean? What you do? What you do?
Raga, we have a tendency to kind of do stuff to really find out what our men thinking, how honest they are.
You know, that is notorious with women. Okay. So what was the objective? You did that do something for find out if I'm give you a bun?
Yeah, because at the time he was a military person. I was many, many miles away. And, yeah.
At the time, him not the military, you many, many miles, so you just want to know why him could have gone with and how him a float, don't?
Yes, and me say him still never know say me.
So when you... But oh, you talk to him for him to know say you, you sure?
Me can't chip in advice, Raga, what happened to you? So what happened to the other people? I go say, oh, I did see. Come on, Raga, we can't do that.
Okay, so you didn't find out anything about him? When you do that? When you did that, look
me not tell you, say, you don't know, say, me, we all do the things for the phone, you know, hear what I say?
Right, but me I say, so you have phone sex?
Not that me I tell you.
Seriously?
That is what I'm saying to you, boss.
So when you succeed in getting your man to have phone sex with you and don't know, say, are you him have it, what did you do in return?
Actually, every time when he came to the country and he went back to camp, then, yeah, we that one. And then, like one time I say, we are planning to meet. And I say, yeah, man, we're going to meet up and thing. And then, we just find an excuse and just never meet.
Mataran, you know, say, a years you call me in about, must be 15 years or so. You call me. At the first you tell me something I find hard for believing. No,
man, seriously. Even in the present relationship with me in and now, because I'm a good partner in things there. I create a fake page and go on Facebook in 2009.
Hold on, that me know. Woman do that? No, fake page and fake profile.
That's what I'm saying to you.
But you are talking about your voice.
Raga, come on now.
Okay, you know, them are going to beat you. Them are going to call in and beat you, and say them not believe you, you know.
Okay, cool, fine. But I'm telling you, say, Raga, I did it.
All right, let me take some other call and think, you know.
Raga, the mix up with my call for cement upon me, not gear you.
All right, run it quick, because you have some other call.
All right, so Raga, I know a girl, you see?
Yeah.
And the two of them did not stay here.
The two of them did in a what?
State care.
State care, okay.
You understand that something there?
Yeah, man, yeah. No, I was in a boys' home. Well, and I was in a boys' home. I was in boys' homes in Jamaica. Of course, me understand that something there, yeah.
Oh, okay, because me say state care. That's why I was wondering.
No, me think it is a fake. Me think it is a fake here.
No.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
Yeah. So anyhow, one of them have a connection outside. So when them leave the state care,
yeah,
that one they go to this individual.
Yeah.
And then in her ear, after her friend came out,
yeah.
Them not have nowhere to stay, so they must stay with a person here, which is the first person who came out, boyfriend.
Okay, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So it so happened that the youth, I look the other one who came out, the second girl that come out of the staircase.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the youth start draft here. Yeah. Our friend man start draft for the one who come out after, yeah.
Yeah, but what the first one I tell me, say no, say, boy, because I think this so sticky upon her is that certain things she couldn't really put up no resistance against. You understand? Even when the friend come back, come tell her, say, the man draw for her a certain way, she never want to approach the man because at the end of the day, she never have no option and no choice.
Okay.
She never have no roof over her head.
Right.
Mm-hmm. So it so happened that after a while, the youth father came from England, come visit because they have a funeral.
Yeah.
And the father start drafting the girl.
Well, and the youth father start drafting who? The one will come out the one will come out after the second one, right?
No, the first one.
Oh, the first one. Okay. The youth father start drafting the youth woman. The father start drafting basically him daughter-in-law. Would that say because them never married?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. All right.
So it so happened that the relationship is kind of abusive in a way.
The kind of what?
Abusive.
The relationship between who? The youth and him woman?
Yes.
Okay, all right, yeah.
So when the father come down and see what go on, the father tell she say she can go bounce with her sister. You get that?
Okay, so the father tell him son, woman, say, since my son abusive to you, you can't go live with her, go live with your sister.
Go live with the man's sister.
Oh, with the
is
man's
youth
sister,
auntie.
with his youth auntie. Okay. Yeah.
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 So anyway, she go down at the yard and the father drop her.
Yeah.
So the father clap it up couple times, you know.
So, so she and the father sat out several times.
Yeah, man.
So you said the father cock it up several times, and then?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The girl get pregnant.
Well, she breed for the father?
Yeah, she breed for the father. But father and son had the same last name.
And then what happened?
So anyway, the youth piece of film pick me and mine it same way.
Oh, so she end up having picnic and thing and whatever, and the youth feels she a film youth.
Yeah.
Because the youth, the picnic, I go favor him because I'm father, breed it. Yeah, go on, talk.
So anyway, the same girl now get pregnant, get a work in a one bar.
Yeah.
So some money go missing.
Yeah.
So she and her next co-worker have some kind of quarrel and something, and the girl take away her phone.
Yeah.
When the girl take away her phone, the girl came up on that kind of discovery there.
With what go on with she and the father and said the picnic for the father and all them something there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And he reach back to the son.
Yeah.
You know some people and people in a things reach back, you understand? Revenge and all of that something there.
Yeah.
Hey man, so anyway.
No, hold on, you just gloss over something. What you mean, so when this, specifically, when he reach back to the son, what the son do?
The son called the father.
And then what happened?
And pay things and call the wife a foreign, which is her stepmother.
Backside, you know. So the son moved to him father and said, oh, you come breed my woman and thing. And then him call the father, wife a foreign, and make she, the wife, know Jesus, make it. Yeah, and make she know what I want.
So I'm telling you, England, the father there, you know.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm. So him tell the wife.
Yeah.
You understand? But when him tell the wife, you know, it's not the same time when he approach your father, like a couple months down, him tell the wife, you know.
Okay, zine.
So the wife draft for the husband, which is the youth father, and I ask the father about it.
Yeah.
Which, as a Jamaican woman, live in England, that with her son, disgraceful.
Zine.
But the man never deny, say, him have sex with the girl.
Okay. But what about the baby? Him want the picnic and make sure know say a female?
Yeah, him want the picnic. Because he come out now, you know.
Okay, seeing. And then?
So when the wife I say, but that disgraceful because say, you have your son and you go down there, you shouldn't find yourself in a situation with your son, woman.
Yeah.
The wife says she and herself would have feel better if it was somebody else outside of the family.
Understandably, yeah. Okay.
And the man just look on the wife and say, well, you man know my son.
The man tell the wife, say, I know him son?
So no disgrace on the right there, so.
But, hold on. So, all this time, the man was of the opinion, say, him son wasn't really him son?
Well, you know, from the inception, say, never him son.
So, we basically, him tell the wife at that point, say, listen to me, right now, you don't know say me know this, but you did give me a jacket, but you don't know say me know say it's a jacket you did give me. Because me did just want the jacket.
It's not your wife pick me, that's why I said you call his stepmother, it's not your wife pick me. It's a different mother pick me that.
Oh, okay. Hold on, that's a different mother pick me that.
It's a different, put it that way, it's a different woman pick me that. Put it that way there. So here what go on, that's no.
Hold on. So when did I say to the wife, it's like, so why should it matter to you? Because it's not your son.
No, the wife was saying, say, she and herself, because everybody call the wife, no one ask the wife about what happened, no, because story come out, no, you know.
Yeah.
So the wife was saying to the husband, say, in herself, that is a disgrace, so she no go down there and go to your son, woman.
Right.
She in herself would have feel better based on the embarrassment and everything was going, if it was somebody else outside the family.
Understood, yeah?
So the man turned to the wife and said, well, him is not him son. So him tell the wife, say, when he was a teenager youth,
yeah,
him go catch a man and have sex with a girl.
Yeah.
And the man when catch and have sex with the girl was the girl uncle.
Yeah.
So him just cover after the uncle.
Oh, after the girl breed.
Yes.
So him wife, you know, who are the youth stepmother, she just a find out this.
She just a find out because all along, based on how they sit with, must say a double embarrassment, you know, because right, they say, you know, is an uncle breeding in niece, right, they say, you know.
Right, so him say him cover for that uncle, eh?
Yeah.
And act like the youth was for him, the son was for him.
Yeah, but the person who calling uncle is not him biological uncle, you know, it's a big man in our community.
Okay, but him cover for the big man in our community and him own the youth and thing and whatever, but, and yeah, you know, so him a cover for the big man and of course, some agreement they did between them.
Yes, and that's come him reach England.
Oh, because the big man boss him and make him go England because him cover for him.
Exactly.
Me back say, you know,
exactly.
Well, you know, say, I want to cuss quarter dozen bad word right here now. I want to cuss quarter dozen bad word, but we can't do it. And we, hey, you ever hear the term, don't mix up the mix-up? Yo, you carry upon a journey a while ago, you know, man.
No, honestly, when me I hear from, all right, so yesterday, the girl come out of this Teet place.
Yeah.
I kind of know her over a period of time, and then me end up know the wife where they are in England.
Yeah.
Based on certain things. So like when she tell me, it's like, me can't believe you get the over, so we then a one group, and then me just get the wife's number, me I talk to the wife, and the wife I tell me. The wife I said, then how many people out there have a man where a father, them a piece of them father, and it's not them father, probably are them grandfather, them father, probably are them uncle, them father, but somebody just cover for them.
No, you know, now that you say it, you know, that cover something, that's something I used to, I don't know about now, but that's something I used to go enough back in the day, you know, when, you know, them embarrassment that it bigger, you know, where, because I know about a couple of them from country, especially, you know, where I know a couple of situations from country where people cover for people, you know, them look weird, or send with people, and when them send with the person, whoever them send them to, the person they say, oh, I'm a niece, or I'm a this and that, when nothing no go so. You understand? I think, but send them with it, protect them, you know, whatever the case may be.
But you know, the unfortunate part about the whole of it, Raga?
Yeah, what?
The youth now, for his mental status,
yeah,
just crash.
But why is that unfortunate if him did abuse her? I'm sorry, I'm just asking.
At the end of the day, hold on, Raga.
Yeah.
You have this man in your life every day, say your father. Boom, something come out and say, hold on, no man, I your father.
Yeah.
Your uncle.
Oh, that part there.
I don't say, are your granduncle or your father? That can't sit well, Raga.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Well, real quickly, let me just say, follow me now, because, boom. So two young lady in a state institution, one come out and thing, and she get fear man, then the next one come out. When the next one come out, now she never have nowhere to go, so she stay with her friend who did in the state institution, with her, with she and her man. When she go the fear man start look her, and whatever, this and that. She now go tell her friend, say, yo, me day I stay with her and thing, but your man a look me, you know. She now never too paid for her man about it because she has said, boy, anyway, she go pay your man the thing. Go mash up, she not have nowhere to go. She just she come out of state institution, she not have nowhere to go and thing like that. Then the youth father now come down from foreign and thing and whatever and see what go on and she say, him son now, you know, not to treat him woman too good and all him something. Him end up a tell, you know, him son woman say, all right, go stay with my sister. You know, since, you know, my son not treat you good. When she go over to go stay with him sister now, him start move to her. Before you know it and thing, your word, you say, you know, she cock up couple times fame and all them thing that so him send on pan her, she send on pan him and whatever. Bops! She breed and push out her youth and all these things and whatever. No, the girl now did a work at one bar. So money go missing and she another person who they at the bar kick off and whatever this and that. The one who she kick off with go get access to her phone, and when she go in access to her phone, she go see some kind of thread of information or whatever. What makes she know say, yo, are the youth father breeder? She bust out the precke and all these things. And after she bust out the precke, it reach back to youth. No, the youth page him father about it now. And him and him father kick off. Couple months later now the youth go so boom and call him father wife a foreign. And say, boom, and this daddy are going with down there, I just want you know, daddy go low and whatever now. So the wife page the father now, and I said, John, what you do, man? Oh, you have do that and thing, and even if you are going to do that and thing and whatever, why you never going to do it with all somebody outer? You're going to do it with your son, woman and thing and whatever. To which the father respond and say, here we are going. You are him stepmother, you know, but why you don't know? Me is not him father, right? Because back in the day, a real big man and thing and whatever in our community and thing, they breed this, you know, I sort out this girl and thing and breed her, but you don't know, look at heat and pressure could have reached upon him, and him just asked me for cover fame and thing and whatever. I'm a cover fame, and that was a youth. And when I cover fame, him and the big man and whatever, I'm look out for me and him give me the bus for go England. So this so it go, so me and a real him father. So I'm basically I make an argument and say, me I really do nothing wrong like how you say it, you know, because me and a real him father. And yeah, so the result of that, in any case, is that when the youth now find out what him tell the mother, and that bus out back to the youth know I realize that this man is not really biological father, and yeah, said that mash him up. Poopa Jesus.
Yes.
Oh, what a piece of mix up.
Remember this Raga? Said the girl where the big man was starting out was the man niece. The same big man niece. You understand? So come family ram thing right there. So.
Oh, so that's why them never. That's why I never want to get outside if the big man breeding
right,
niece.
So that's why that the man they cover. That's why I mash up the youth. The way I mash up the youth. You understand?
Oh.
Him father is him granduncle. You get the over?
Yeah, him father is also him granduncle right you know. Yeah. And then now, not only him father, him granduncle, him mother is also, how it go now? If I'm niece, what now? So him mother also him auntie, that's how it go?
Hold on. Yeah, something like that.
I don't know, him mother also him cousin, I don't know, probably him mother also him cousin. What a rotted precke. What a precke. Listen to me now, man.
That's the wife I say. Yeah. That's the wife I say, how much people know believe that the person who are them father, I don't know, say somebody in a them family is them father, but in order to keep that something there underneath the rug, somebody just cover because there are times when opportunity presents itself, you know, because so come that the man they reach up there, so, you know, and take up that the woman or his wife now up there, you know.
Oh, so I saw him go England and end up bring up him wife and things. So basically, I tell her, I said, basically, I said, listen to me, you live good life for England right now. Let me tell you how you reach England. Other man, the boss me go England and then me bring you up. And you know why him boss me? Me did cover for him because him did breed him niece. Here, Bill. Balance your thing here and give thanks.
Right.
And probably that him I tell her, but monster! Yo, that mix up, yeah! That makes up on a different level. I'm surprised. I'm a follow it a while ago because sometimes my head can't even keep up with it.
But the way you follow the thing is like you better hear it already, man. Can you just chop it so?
No, but me I tell you, man, me I pay attention, you know, because sometimes when we get some bad mix up, you know, from back in the day, I don't know if you remember one listener named Karen Wildman. As she used to say, Ragayam mix.
Karen used to drive the JUTC bus?
Yeah, man, she probably still a drive the JUTC bus and fix phone.
Remember Karen, man?
Yeah, man, she see man, and she did bust the term, Raga. Stop mix up the mix up. So you know, so the first mix up is a verb and the second mix up is a noun. And she must have phrase Raga, stop mix up the mix up. You know, follow the thing, yeah, mix up the mix up. So me I say from back in them days and them used to beat me and I say, yo, generally, I nah follow the mix up, you know. But I think I did well just now, don't it? I got an A there, didn't I?
Excellent.
Yeah.
That's what I like when somebody tell somebody a mix up when I don't, the person can relate it back.
Exactly.
We don't miss not. With every I, that, and every T cross.
Well, I'm a bright boy, don't. Me a bright boy, don't. Me do well in that class a while ago, don't.
Of course, I was learning.
Na 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 na. Raga is a bright boy. Raga is a bright boy.
But Raga, Father God in never truth. If you was that little, if you was a youngster, then Raga.
Yeah.
Or you with an approach a situation there.
Well, them something age dependent, you know, but if right now and thing or whatever, I am real big on, I don't have no time for going out because I'm going to take some other card, but right now I am real big on identifying what I have control over and what I don't have control over. Mataran, right now, I am really, really, really good. You see, from me identify something and say, me no control over this. Me know about it, no, me no control. And me say no stress no there, you know. No stress no there.
Why it affect the youth, so me not telling no lie.
Well, I understand that. And there's him there, but me I say, it no matter could a relative or whatever, let me tell you, say, I am impeccably impressive in terms of, I say, do I have control over this? No, don't worry. Don't stress, don't worry. It makes no sense. Why you going to stress over something you don't have no control over? Right?
And then the mother, no Raga, she did end up, like, reported missing, but they realized that she take care of herself when everything come out. She in one of them islands there.
What the woman who did there in England?
No man, the youth mother not there in England. The youth mother the right of Jamaica here, so me say the woman overseas is him stepmother and father. Father wife.
Okay, so the youth real mother now where they are Jamaica, she take care of herself what, from the whole excitement and the stress and the embarrassment.
Yeah, because when I saw them put her, so she missing.
Damn, what a rotten mix up. Anyway, big up yourself in a matter we have to go let go a break and no thanks to that one day here. Well on, last question before you leave. You be it from there?
Of course, you could have asked me that.
Hold on. What the name of the soap where you use?
Oh, of course, Irish Spring.
Irish Spring you use?
Yes, sir.
You be at with Raga Umfu for hour.
My be a red rag.
A rag, I'm just asking.
Not no red rag, though.
All right. All right, good. Big up yourself here. Enough love and blessings. All right, Raga loves you.
Raga.
All right, enough respect. People are going to take a little break and take me soon forward. Muddy.
This is IrieJam.
What? Over? Did you say over? Nothing is over till we decide it is. And it ain't over now.
We're gonna stay here forever. You got it? Ooh, yeah. Forever. This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Back in the juggling, people, big up on yourself. Ragashanti live in on the ears right you know. Again, we just want to call in. Calling within the mix-up, won't have any drama, won't have, and I don't know the things set. This is a culture and a lifestyle mix-up entertainment show. Zine. So you can't call in with anything you want to call in within that framework. At the same time, we have a running topic where we are juggling with. You can take peace site if you want it. What we are saying, give it a link, and make we know. Make we know. In a past relationship, something that you did in a past relationship that your ex, and now your ex no know say you did do it. Again, something that you did in a past relationship where I know your ex no know say you did do that something there. To the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello.
Good night, Raga.
Wagwan.
All right. I want to touch upon two something.
Yeah.
Quickly. The first one is the lady yesterday. I was listening for you.
Yeah.
All right. She I think she's selfish. I believe she's selfish because this man did so much for her during the pregnancy and everything. Send her back to school and all of that. And because she hear about the ex come back from foreign, she wants to dish this man dirt, right? And she making all sorts of excuses why she going to dish this man dirt. Because I'm talking about she no love this man and all of these things. But the first man is not a man. Because if him a go make for him parents, make him deny for your child, he's not a man. And she might leave this man and get what they don't get.
No, but what I say is, all right then, there's several things that we can unpack. But let me ask you now. So what are you saying the solution is she must stay in the relationship then? Even if, and she knows that she not happy, she not want to be in the relationship, she not love the man that has been there for her. Whether you like it or not, she's saying she not love the man and whatever. So you say she must stay in it knowing that her heart and her mind is elsewhere. Is that what you're saying she should do?
No, but Raga, any family you're going now, and the mother and the father, it is clear that these people don't like this young lady.
No, I am not disputing that. More you answer me. So are you saying, because you're still making an argument why it's a bad thing, you know, and I get that. What I'm saying, so what, you know what she want to do. Tell me what, tell me, I'm asking you, are you saying she should stay in this relationship with the man where she's explicitly saying she don't love him and it's not for her type and she don't want to be in the relationship? Are you saying she must stay there?
Well, it don't sound like she wants to stay there, but I think there is the best place for her because she loves this ex-man, and it's clear that this man don't love her.
No. Well, you know that, you know. So I just stay. I could stay focused. So basically, I say she must stay. Which part she is unhappy, but the man that who did the fear, she must still stay with the man what she unhappy with, right? And that you say.
Yeah, because she might get where they don't get.
She might, but again, you know.
Yeah.
You're saying she must stay in something that she's unhappy with.
But she just been unhappy now since this man come back. All along, she never unhappy with the man.
It doesn't matter what it is. I'm just saying she's very clear that the man is not her type. It no matter what the reason is. It don't matter what the reason is. Me and you can agree with all of the reason. What is clear is she said the man who has been there for her for the 5 years with her belly and the picnic. She said he is not her type. She don't want to be with him. And she not going to play a hypocrite. In fact, that decision is already made, you know. The post was asking for people how she must break it to him. For it be as soft as fall for him as possible. She already made the decision. So I'm saying, but I just want it to be clear. You are saying she must stay in something in which she's unhappy and she don't want to stay in it.
But she never happy in the first one either.
No,
with the belly.
No, I am not disputing that. No. She did happy with him at the parents anyway.
Oh, the man never know man, because the man knows saying go there. After you know saying
I am not disputing that. Said you can't say the man another man or whatever, but yeah, said she never happy. She was happy at the parents anyway. But she was happy with him.
That's how I see it.
All right. What the next thing? Call a Friday night. What the next thing? Because President sorry I forgot to other callers. Next thing, quick.
All right. The second thing is that lady the other day, she was talking to you and she said that she wanted to try the swiping thing.
The swiping? She wanted to try the swiping?
Yes, and the free up. And her husband said no. He's not going down that road with her.
Right.
Yes, and she was planning to go on the outside.
Right.
But you know, that man is selfish, you know. And you have a lot of men like him. Right? You see, from them rich, they no business to do, man, you know.
Because him did I get the swipe from her, right? I saw it did go, right? What should I explain? I saw it go. But him don't want to do it to her?
No. She said she have never gotten it. She have never gotten it from him.
Right.
Right.
But why the man selfish? Why if a man woman want him to swipe her and him say no, me not do them something that. Are you saying that he's selfish if him say no?
No, he's selfish. No, he's not selfish with that because it's not everybody going to do that.
Right.
And you have to respect people's decision.
Right.
But at the same time, him don't business with her. Him don't business because him a go say who come first win. Right?
May I try remember which?
Him say who come first win, and then she have some friends. Who I tell her about it, and she wanted to try it.
Okay, was it a case where when them finished, she did still feel unsatisfied? Was it that case?
Yes.
Okay.
She said 15 years she there with him and she have never reached her peak. That is what.
Yeah, right. Yes. Remember now. Yes. Remember who now? Yes. 15 years and she never papa.
Yeah.
But well, let me tell you something. I don't know if that's not. Well, let's be careful. Believe it or not, you know. And I'm just going with what the studies say, you know. Would you believe that on average, in terms of who them do studies with, which is primarily in Western society, North America, South America, and Western Europe and thing. But would you believe that on average is only about 30% of women who have an orgasm?
Okay.
On average, you know. And additionally, but what you're saying, but given that hold on there. On here, radio, IrieJam, on here. Okay. But another thing. I mean, I make no excuse, man, you know, I just I tell you.
Yeah.
I agree with you that there is any man make a statement like that, who come first when. Yeah, it's a selfish man that. But would you believe that a lot of men, even if them set out to make a woman reach an orgasm, them don't know how to do it?
Well, if him don't know how to do it, then I think she should teach him. Because sometimes in those cases, woman have to teach man, you know. The man do it or him know how.
But well, but then if she never get if she there with him for 15 years and never get an orgasm, what you think she know? She probably don't even know what an orgasm is. She never experienced it. Her friend them tell her about it. In other words, I'm not even so sure she know what to teach him.
Raga.
What?
Sometimes, you know, if him touching there and you feel away, you can tell him continue to touch there, you know.
Well, yes, right? All right. Do me I beg you, me I talk to you for a while, so I'm going to bring in some other call and thing. But you see this issue where you raise, believe it or not, you'd be surprised how common it is out there. Come on. Particularly now, when people are more sexually liberated, right? In the world now, you know, people are up to 10 years ago, you know, the world is very, very different now from just 10 years ago, you know. A whole heap of something that go on. People feel more comfortable to do a whole heap of something now, you know. Understand? So right now, you know, in this more liberal climate in terms of sexual behavior, it's a very poignant issue, and a lot of people out there want to experience more. And them partners, you know, perhaps don't even know how to do it or don't want to do it and all these things. But do me, I beg you, let me take some other call here.
Yeah, man. All
right, blessings. Next call, President Ting. Full up another Friday. Why? Hello. Greetings. Yeah, what's up? Talk up. Energy.
Raga. What make you Rasta them so hypocritical?
What make who?
The Rastafarian them.
What make the Rasta them so hypocritical? Explain why the Rasta them hypocritical.
And then when them a swipe, Raga, they swipe in a style.
When them a what?
Swipe.
When the Rasta them a swipe, when the Rasta them a get oral sex, what?
Them swipe in a style.
Them swipe in a style. Explain that. What you mean? Explain it.
Big up to Rasta, Raga, when you might go swiping brushing teeth.
Walade! Tambourine! Why you say? You big up a Rasta who you know anytime him a go swipe, him brush his teeth before him. Listen to me.
I think I'm going to do so clean.
What you say? So no, you have to big him up for that, you know. Then the man I go eat and the man make sure say, he go wash him and wash out his mouth. Is it that the right? Then a good table man has that. A good table man has that.
He full of table man. He full of table etiquette.
Prezi,
eating etiquette.
What on the Prezi, the camera drop down to Clark. The people, them of course, got the camera drop down. People, what on the camera turn over in here? Prezi! That's why I tell you, they stop leave when they're working, man. They make me cuss him, man. Chop, John Wayne.
I got Tambourine that over the camera.
The camera turn over, man, and the man gone and thing. Prezi! I tell him stop leave when him at work. Just sit down there. I'm not used to that something here, man. I'm not used to that something here, man. But man, John Wayne that you there, you know. Come on, man. Anyway, people who the camera turn over here. So well, so what I know. So what you say about I'm brushing teeth before? Then you know one good some of that. Then a clean mouth I go down there.
The two how Raga we in paradise, my Bible is like him just knowing himself, so he might do something enough to do. You know, Raga like he might do it to clean this weird way, he clean and boss in a Raga.
So well,
I Rasta, you know.
So well, I know. So when you see like when you link up and you see him go brush him teeth, what you say to yourself, Prezi, the camera turn over, man. Prezi, the camera turn over, you so come fix the camera for me now. Prezi, yeah, come fix the camera for me, come here, beat the table and the camera turn over. Come just take up the camera for me now, Prezi. Prezi, come take up the camera for me. I nah hear what I'm saying. The Prezi people, them a curse me, man. Alright, yeah, go on, talk. Sorry about that.
So when me sing and brushing teeth, me a laugh, Raga, me a say, then at that time, when I'm brushing teeth.
You
understand? That time, me not even know. Raga say him do them first time, me I say them going brushing teeth.
So, so never you even ask him for do it or nothing like that, don't?
No, Raga, me go say, the way me feel that way for the man, me go say, so yeah, Rasta do them, so man, rough me up, so me take them out of Rasta business.
Tambourine! Well are they? You said to him, say, oh, you're Rasta and I do them something there, and the man say, if it was cool and take... And say, if you take them out of Rasta business, and what you know about what Rasta do and what Rasta not do?
Raga, hear him now. Me say me laugh till me ball him now. You know, say the iron national dish this year.
So, well, tell me something, I know. Well, we shouldn't be surprised, you know, because Rasta place an emphasis on being clean in things that they do. You understand?
Yes, yeah. That's why me laugh, Raga.
Yeah.
Me laugh it. Every time me laugh, me ask me what happened to me. Me tell me something remember. Me laugh, me ball, me laugh.
Then tell me something, I know. When him did a swipe, him did good? Him did bad pan it?
Ragashanti, Ph.D.
Ph.D. Bad like ya. Jesus have mercy. And also, when him...
every time you look at him, me laugh.
Every time you look at him, and when you look at him mouth and say, damn out there, don't.
Laugh.
Selassie. But what me answer? Then him locks long.
Ooh, Raga, ground man, funny ball he never trim.
Well, he look like say, you know, I see what you know say what I'm put up one classic
and
show.
A foreign me meet him, Raga and body me say, Raga.
A foreign you meet him down.
A foreign, yes, man.
No, man, I always like for ask this. So when him did that do it, him did tie up him locks in a ponytail.
Raga man secure. You know, not secure your brain, the man secure in here.
That's right.
The man wrap in here and secure, you know, and
it wasn't a scrungy him use. Where him do him use? How him use wrapping?
No, man wrapping here and man wrap up. You me say man secure in here, Raga. Nothing to handbug him.
All right then, but you are going. Enough Rasta do that something they do, you know, so. Me think that people for just get past
Raga, me never meet. Listen to me, man. Me say, the man could have teach that as a course.
But what me I say is, where is the logic? We are in the Rasta in the cosmology. Then should we say, oh, Rasta not supposed to do them something? Then what exists?
No, but Raga, listen. If that the man there, if me cooking a pot, you can cook no nice food in a heat. So me I say, what do you mean? I say, no,
if you do what? So I'm very circumspect.
If one pot.
Yeah. If what?
If one pot cook meat in a heat, because he not eat meat.
Yeah, him not eat meat. But if the pot cook meat tonight and you wash out the pot, him not want it.
Nobody not strict like him. Because him say a hypocrite.
So the point is, if him so strict about him Rasta thing and whatever, he might eat juju and that you say.
And I not want to eat juju, Raga. I might eat juju good.
He might eat juju good. But again, let us be reminded, you know, because some people are always very uncomfortable with this proven fact. That part of the female body, listen to me. Listen to me. Hold on, you're not hearing me. I say, listen to me. Again, it is a biological fact. Proven. And you can go check it. It is a biological fact. That part of the woman body is cleaner than the human mouth.
That me hear, Raga.
No,
that me hear.
Don't take my word for it, right?
No, me hear. Yeah,
Well, and that part of the woman body is a self-cleaning organ. So all things being, again, remember, you have some women have hygiene problem and take care of themselves and whatever. But I'm just saying, and then some people brush them teeth and what. I'm just saying, in general, all things being equal, it is proven that part of the body is cleaner than the human mouth. The human mouth is a very toxic. You know, so somebody can bite you and the bite kill you. Did you know that?
Yes, it become poisonous. Yes,
okay.
Antibiotic.
All right then, cool. I have never heard of a juju bite anybody and kill them.
Raga, if juju did not kill people, the Rasta that poison, Raga.
No, so what me I say is, again, this has always come up is you bring up the mix-up, but I just want to make people know. Chun have more fear from the human mouth than the human mouth have fear from chun.
So, the food that we eat, Raga, because not do nothing. Food the poison, that not do nothing.
So what I'm saying is, all things being equal, if you real thing about the one thing one probably can draw up the Rasta for when it comes to that something there. Listen to me now. Is one thing people probably have a logical basis for saying, no, you know, say you go low and you violate the Rasta precept. And it's this, listen now. You know, it's a Rasta no food around salt, right? Tambourine!
It can't pour.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you can't dry him up about that. And I said, then, doggy, you don't eat salt, so how you just touch up that salt thing there, so? You know,
it can't pour.
Yeah,
it can't pour.
Yeah, you know what they say, the sodium level in that something there, you know, it's generally it's a little bit high. Yeah? Rasta, how you just eat up that salt thing there, so? You're not afraid of the sodium thing, you're going like a banana chips. My lad, go eat.
But Raga, I say the best I have to call Raga because this man go brushing teeth. Me tell my friend laugh. While we are texting after I done, I text her, we laugh. Me say Raga, me could contain myself.
Well, no, I am sure a whole heap of women who are listening like that. I say, them are listen right, you know, and I say, you can't go and talk, I like him, clean mouth to a thing, yeah. I like him, brush your teeth and come eat, yeah. Him have table manners. Him have table manners.
Full of etiquette.
Yeah, the man have proper table. He must be British.
And the etiquette Rasta.
Yeah.
Raga, guess what? Guess what? Raga,
wow.
I want African Rasta.
He's an African Rasta. Yeah. No, me
yes, etiquette Rasta, me I go start calling.
All right, now say a word. Anyway, me take one next call before me take a break here.
All right, Raga, love you, Raga, bye.
Yeah, man, enough love and blessings. All right, we have about 4 minutes before we take the break at the top of the hour. Send on, President. Hello.
I'll be very fast with this. Lady Matan, with that mix-up that Lady Matan brought on there. She need to sell that to a Hollywood producer.
Okay, but quite a plot, eh? Quite a meandering, convoluted mix-up, don't it? Yeah.
I had to listen very good to get the story because I almost get mixed up too.
See, I don't know. I just sure she was patient in her delivery and she made sure she took it step by step or whatever. She's a veteran mix-up teller. We have to big her up for that. All right?
She got it together. And then the mix-up just went along. I wonder if this dread is a bogus dread.
No, what you mean bogus dread? What you mean?
Using the toothbrush, brush him teeth.
So, what you mean?
I wonder if it's a bogus dread.
What you mean? Him should have used true stick at that, yes, eh? No, man, a modern time. Listen to me. A modern times now. A lot of Rasta thing and whatever, them brush them teeth with toothbrush, right? There's nothing in them thing where say them not for use, they're into the organic world and thing and whatever, but there's nothing that say it is wrong to use toothbrush. There's nothing artificial. Mine, you know, the toothpaste, it may have, you know, they may use a special type of toothpaste, but it's quite common for Rasta use toothbrush right now, okay?
Oh, yeah. Well, you know, you learn daily.
All right. It got some blessings and respect.
Good, all right, good.
Yeah, man, my respect. People, I just want to remind you and thing and whatever. So I have my 2 YouTube channels them I want to subscribe to. So I just go over them 2 YouTube channels, click subscribe, and click the bell on the 2 channels. You have Ragashanti TV, again, over YouTube. And this is the Mixup entertainment, the Ray, the this and the laughing and all these things and whatever. Ragashanti TV over YouTube. I want to know, we're going to take a break. So when we take a break, I want to know, go over there right now, click subscribe, and click one little bell where you see there. And remember, we have playlists over there, playlists of Mix-Up Entertainment, hundreds of hours of classic Ragashanti live shows and thing over the phone to listen to and watch and all them something they so enjoy on yourself. There's also another channel called TamFam TV. That one is educational entertainment. Again, so one name Ragashanti TV and the other one name TamFam TV. All right, I want to go to them 2 channels over YouTube and click subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe. Yes, one thing I say subscribe, simple. It's free. It's free. I don't want to have to pay for. It's free. Just click subscribe and also click the bell. It's a notification bell. All right? Do that for me. And my 2 channels, and do remember, say Ragashanti TV over there. So we are free up every Thursday, 1 o'clock U.S. Eastern Time. Free up every Thursday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, which is 12 noon in Jamaica and Ting. So make sure you're going to come over there on Thursday afternoon, come watch it. And if you can't watch it in the afternoon, it is there. All the content is there for you to watch on demand whenever you so choose. Just go in the different playlists them and you can watch them and listen to them and enjoy them and things. You see? And it's all about Mix-Up Entertainment, culture and lifestyle, Mix-Up Entertainment, Jamaican style, Ragashanti style and thing. We're going to take a little break right now, as usual at the top of the hour, as we do on a Friday night when we're on 93.5 here in New York City and things. So in 3 minutes, we will be back for the final hour of the show right now. So now just go and balance up your things. So forward.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Back in the juggling with yours truly, Ragashanti. And me, Miss Cherry Washbell, my mama last pit, and bless her up, may her memory live on forever and forever inside of the juggling and thing. And we have a topic where we are work with and sitting. Call in and tell us something what you do in a past relationship where all know your ex don't know so you did do it. Again, call in and tell us something what you do in a past relationship where all know your ex don't know so you did do it. The number from the United States or Canada toll free is 888-546-8742. That's 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. To the phone lines, we go. Good night. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yo, Raga.
Yeah.
Yo, Raga.
Yeah, greeting.
Yo, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, what house, man. I mean, I listen to you all the while. I years me I follow you.
Cool, man.
But I want to talk more. Now, listen. It's a Rasta thing, a serious thing.
Yeah.
Rasta not suck pussy.
No, you can't. Well, you can't say that upon the radio, man. You can't say that word upon. No, stop. No, you listen. You listen. You cannot say that word upon the radio. Don't say that P word upon the radio.
All right.
Hold on. Stop. Hold on, stop. Prezi.
Yeah.
Prezi, them cut it out. Them cut it out. All right. Balance up your talk because you're going to get me in trouble, yeah?
No balance. Yeah, no balance.
No, hold on. So when you talk from now, you're going to use code where you have to use code, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah, man. So where you saying now? Yeah?
I want to you come from. You know Rasta thing.
Yeah.
Right? So when it comes to them Jojo thing there,
yeah.
enough man have talia. That don't make you Rasta. You live it.
Seeing.
You works. You understand?
Seeing.
So the red, gold, and green thing and the whole panati.
Yeah.
That's the style and pattern.
Seeing.
You know that.
Seeing.
So when she come at the Rasta this and Rasta that, Rasta don't live like that, man.
So, but let me ask you something. But suppose somebody, and I understand what you're saying, because let's be honest, because from when most people know about Rasta, they might think, Rasta wouldn't do something like that. But what if what if somebody would say, boy, yo, I mean, why is it prohibited? What would be the reason? What would be the thing from Rasta where you can quote right now and say, because of so and so and so, that type of behavior is not something that a Rasta should engage in? What would be that, justification? The liberty justification. What is it?
Well, right now, me, I use myself as the object.
Right.
I wouldn't do that. And I is a Rasta man. I know Rasta thing. Any man will do that on a Rasta.
No.
Just like that.
No, I understand what you're saying, right? But I'm saying, could you just help me listen to them to understand and say, because Rasta believe in a so and so, or Rasta teach so and so, that is a reason.
It's all about. It's all about liberty. It's not a belief thing. Belief is a doubt.
All right, okay. What I'm saying is, all right then. What part of the liberty then?
There's certain border in our thing. We don't go cross certain border line. No matter what, we don't cross.
And what is that border? What is the border?
Listen, man. Listen. There's no. If I'm about what is the border, where's the border? We know the border. It's like if you go to law school and you go to be an injury lawyer, or you go doctor to be a doctor, you're a specialist in this. You know your work.
Yeah.
So the same way with Rasta thing. Rasta thing, you know how to live, you know how to treat people, you know how to be who you are. You understand?
No, my general, I'm hear what you're saying, because you make that point there already, All right, but you, hold on. You just use lawyer and doctor as example, right? When you go, hold on.
Yeah.
When you go to a lawyer and you present your facts, the lawyer may say, based upon the statute, that say that action is assault and battery, or based on the common law in the courts, that action is illegal on the court. When you go to the doctor is going to make a diagnosis and say the symptoms you presented, the diagnosis for that is this and that, and I'm going to prescribe. Why I'm asking you is, if we're going to use the analogy from the law and from medicine, what is the statute? What is the law? What is the diagnosis in Rastafari that would make you say this thing is wrong?
Yeah, but I talk about wrong or right, man. Because I try to show you, and you know that. You come from Watos, Gully Bank, in Bongo Salad, Ethiopian Orthodox. You know the liberty of Rasta thing. If a man not eat meat, if Rasta not eat meat, what do you virgin, man? You know that, man.
So you say, okay, so we just make a headway right now. Because you say, if Rasta don't eat meat, then you could have characterized. No, but in truth, if we are to be honest, even though them use the term eat, we know that they're not really eating. They're not eating. There's nothing to eat. No. Hold on. Let's be honest. I'm not really eating. I go on this. Hold on. It's really an ice cream thing. I go on this. And that is not even accurate because you still have to swallow the ice cream. But,
I'm supposed to tell you something. You know me not eat ice cream.
All right, well on that. Suppose you're there with that woman, All right, last question. Suppose you're there with that woman, and she said, Natty, you know, say, I respect the precepts and all these things, but between me and him, I just like you try a look at chups at the thing, and I not tell nobody and thing, and if it's a sister, is a sister, you love like that and whatever. What the response?
Raga, you don't know, but I know you very well. At least I come from Kingston days.
Yeah.
And Jamaican them days.
Cool, man.
You understand? Listen, go the bank grew up on.
Yeah.
Me left my wife through she switch. You understand?
You left your wife because she switched?
Yes.
But
I meet more woman who me really love and want to be with. And I want them things to start out and I walk and leave them.
So wait, your wife did bring them thing that to you and I said she want to take a look at troops and lick off right and you just let her go.
Yeah, from she start bring them argument that to me, I don't say I'm a woman no more.
John, no.
But we
Okay.
never start out like that.
Seen.
I should know, say, man like me would not live like that. You get me? So for you, change in a lizard, I never know you as a lizard.
Yeah.
That means say never real all the while. You get me?
Cool no man.
You get
Okay.
me?
All right. No, I see what you say from your perspective. Okay, I see what you say. And you say other woman to bring them thing that to you after your wife and you just make them know say you nah go there so. I was busy signal saying that this song him nah go down there.
Where you go down there, sir? You come from down there already, friend. You come from down there, that's it, man.
Yeah, nobody go back down there. You say friend you come from down there, nobody go back down there that way there. That way there.
That's why you come from down there, where you go back down there for.
That way there, yeah.
That make you with something go down there. It's the thing where make you with stand up beside your woman. Everything match up now, my brethren.
See,
a lot is I deal with. The mouth match up with our mouth. Your nose match up with our nose.
See.
You understand? It's like a socket and a plug work right there. So two socket can work. Two plug can work, brethren.
Oh, okay. The plug make for the socket. No, not only that. The plug make for the socket. And anyway, you go put your tongue on the socket. You're going to get shocked and dead. You understand? No? All right, big up yourself here, sir. Big up yourself.
Yeah, no, man.
Yeah, man, balance. Yes, President, next call. Green. Hello. Carla. People are listening radio and I call in and I listening radio, yo. Carla. You chat them all like hear me on the radio and still not answer your phone.
Raga.
Mr. Never rang. Are you a call and not dep on the phone?
No, Raga.
Oh, if you call in and not dep on the phone, Mr. Never rang.
Me hear your arguments. Me hear you call me name since night, Mr. Never rang.
Yeah.
Listen. The woman.
No, Mr. Never rang. Move her from the thing where I make noise back here. Whether the TV or the radio.
Hold on.
Yeah. Quick. Yeah. Quick, Mr. Never rang. Quick. Yeah. Mr. Never rang.
Raga.
Yes.
Hold on. The woman and who have the pregnant with the lady. Him rang too.
Who? The what?
The woman. If you know
which woman we are talking about, Mr. Never Rang? I want to pass something with that. Which one you are talking about?
No, listen, you was talking about the pregnant woman and the man left him gone.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me they put it two ways. Me just cut it short.
Yeah.
The woman.
Yeah.
The man never tell him say he left him in. He just get a visa for him shift to make things better. Just so me say it. He never tell him left him. The next one, when the man take him up with the pitney. No wrong, didn't take him up with the pitney.
No, Mr. Never wrong. She said she did say she had left the man and go back to her baby father. She just want to figure out how fit. Another one they are talking about, Prezi. Which one you talking about? Which one? Other one they are talking about.
The one that got the pregnant.
Yeah.
The one that pregnant.
Yeah.
The 2 month pregnant.
Yeah, that one there, yeah. No, man, she left him, man. She left him and said she'll go back to her baby father.
No. To me, I use you when they use the man to get where you want to go.
Oh.
I use you when they use the man to get where you want to go.
Okay.
Because he know he not like you. So when they use man, make the man go so deep. I use you when they use him, but the man couldn't see it.
Okay.
The man couldn't. People like those are using to get things for you. Tell when then get an analysis.
But because you remember you didn't make that point about Jamaican woman, But so you think that this prove your point?
Yeah, prove a price because I use the man.
Okay. Oh, are you?
Using the man.
But what if at the time?
Hold on, Raga. What up? Why when the baby born, the man take her so long in a belly, hot belly and takes her, and the one that get him run left him gone. Without him better rose. Why him never say all right, boss man?
Well, she. Why she never say? Why she?
She. Who never tells. So I use him when I use the man.
Yeah.
I use the man, Raga.
No, but Mr. Never wrong. What if at the time when the man come there with her with the 2 months belly and thing, she never did interfere, man. She never think she use him, and she just say, say he's a nice man.
No, you ain't
Hold on. Make a point. Hold on. What me I say? What if at the time she never did that thing, say she use a man because she said, what a nice man, make me there with that money and thing. But over a while, when she had there with him and attack, and I there with him after a while, as Puss did call and free up yesterday and say, at that time she realized, say, so that man is a good provider, but him, him not really love him like that. Him is a good provider, but him have all these other faults which she not like. What if it's something like that?
No, Raga.
Yeah.
When I have fault, yes or no?
Yeah.
I use him when they use him. You ain't know, say the man have fault before.
She didn't know.
Well, you know me still. You ain't know the man have fault.
Yeah.
All right. It's like, he know the man are sore. He know the man are sore. And he sore stink. So why you good over the so?
What you mean, sir? If for example, she knows that the man have sore foot, him have sore about him and thing and the sore thing, and when she still got there and thing, and then I know when the other man come back, she had say him have sore, she want to leave, but the sore did a long time, but that you said, no.
Yeah, he went did a long time. So why left the man? Are you
why she left the man? Why she left the man? She, yeah.
She when I use the man, it's inconvenient.
Yeah.
As soon as you use the man and get what I want, you want this man.
No, but what I'm saying never wrong. Some people that say the man did not get something too. The man did not get some good loving too. She probably did not cook some food for him too. She probably did not take care of him and do something. So him did not get something outside too. What about the argument there? What about the argument there, Mr. Never wrong?
Yes, Raga. Yeah. You that cook the food, give the man.
Yeah.
You that cook the food, give the she.
Yeah.
You that do it too.
Me?
That's what me go to. That's what me tell you say. Last week me tell you say. Last week I told you say.
Yeah, you told me say.
If you not sleep at the house, you not cook there. You know wash it if you
No, that is a separate point. That is a separate point from where we are talking about. Where we are talking, what you ask about the woman right now? What me I say, why if the she did do things to the man, then him not do things for her and she had do something for him and him know what him did I get out of it and him did make a choice to stay with her.
Yeah, but Raga, why is it in wait? Listen, the man do things him and the woman do. So why is it in wait when the man come back?
She want
to push up the man on? Why do that?
Yeah, because she said the man that she love, her baby father she love.
Yes, he love him, Raga.
She love him. She can't love
him, Raga.
Yeah.
You can't love the person. Yeah. But at the same time, at the same time, he step out left, don't care nothing about you. Somebody that feed you, give you shelter, make you feel comfortable. And because he come at you, all those was night, was what that man and go at this. That's wrong, Raga. That's wrong. That's wrong. But put yourself in the next man's place.
Mr. Never wrong. Let me ask you. Hold on, let me ask you something. If you are working one place, right, and them a pay you good, and you get good pay, and the company treat you good, the company treat you good, you get some good money at the place where you work. And the company treat you good. The company give you some good vacation time. The company give you leave, paid leave and all these things. As soon as you're sick, you get as many sick days as you want. The company don't overwork you. As soon as you work an extra hour, the company pay you double. And the company treat you good. And you reach a point now where you want to work something else. Anything wrong if you leave and go work somewhere else?
No, listen, if the company, let me tell you straight, with me don't know about you. If the company treat me good, there's no way me don't left this up. But I want something good, you better me retire this up. and then if I want to do something else, go do.
What I'm asking you, is there something wrong with people who leave a company where they treat them really, really good and then move to a different job because something better over that job there, but the company where them they did treat them really good? Is there something wrong with that if somebody leave that company where I treat them good and go work our next company for upgrade themselves? Is there something wrong with that?
No, nothing wrong with that.
Then that the woman do. Then that the woman do. Then that the woman want do. None of that the woman want to do.
Raga.
That the woman want to do.
Situation, Raga.
Is that the woman want to do?
Yeah, listen to me. As we say, I use him when I use the man to inconvenient. I use him when I use. It's like your billions to the woman. And after your billions woman, and he said he run you to the house.
Him run you. She run you to the house.
She, you know me talk. You know me talk.
Yeah, she. Okay, she.
Raga, that's unfair. And people like those, God, they will never have good luck in life.
Never good
people
woman.
Like those,
yeah.
I say people like those, whether man or woman, me talk you both ways, we never have no good luck in life. We never are no good like life.
So let me ask you a question then. So let me ask you a question. When a man there with a woman and thing, him for pay for send her go school?
If you pay for send, no, me not pay no. Me not pay for send no woman go school. If you not get the education before, hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on, Raga.
Yes.
If you don't get the education before, when you prevent it, me not go take up my money to send you to school.
Why you wanna do that? Why you wanna do that? God would have smiled when you say he's a good man. God would have smiled when you say he's a good man. You pay for the man and send her to go to school. Why you wanna do that?
No, because you know why? You know why?
Why?
When I go school and get them good education, then laugh for you. Then laugh for you, Raga.
I that them do. Well, I that them really do. I that them really do. I that them really do.
That them do. Yes. When I get them good education.
Yes.
And get them good run, then take the left with them make them friend bribe them.
Jeez.
Bribe you. Bribe. And she. Yeah. And left you. There's no way. She, Raga.
Yeah.
There is no way me.
Yeah.
Never rang. They go take up my money.
Yeah.
Go get put to one hour school. If you don't get the education before,
if she don't get the education before, she. Yeah.
No, me not do it because when they get the education, when they get the education, they go tap over to pass you.
Okay.
I don't remember about you. I remember say,
all right.
I feel you sweat.
All right. Before you go, me want you talk to the woman them out there now. Who want man for send them go school and them something. I want you talk to them right now, right? And them woman build house to them and then them run them man out of the house. Talk to them right now and tell them what them for what them need for you. Talk to them right now.
No.
Talk to them.
Raga.
Talk to them. Talk to them. Talk to them.
Raga.
Talk to them. Talk to them.
Yeah. Listen.
Yeah.
A man claim me say a man the uncle we me build house to you.
Yeah.
Unless you're my daughter.
Well, I know, but talk to them woman they know. Talk to them woman they know. Talk to them. What you have to tell them?
Me build house.
Yeah.
But me have to live there. From me have to live there.
All right.
And from me see the mess up, me throw you out.
Okay, all right.
From me see you the mess up, me throw you out.
Okay, all
That's
right.
it.
All
That's
right.
why I don't build no house for no human land.
Okay.
I never build no house for no human land.
Okay.
My father teach me that.
Okay.
Never you build a house for no human land.
For no human land.
Because when you get when he had take him, and when you want to do
when I take her, when I take her.
When she take her, when they want to do the nasty, then throw you out. You don't know say so there.
All right then. Big up yourself.
Never you build a house for no human land.
Never you build a house for no woman land. Only hear when Mr. Never rank, sir.
Never you build a house for no woman land.
Only hear when Mr. Never rank, sir. Mr. Never rank, sir. All man.
Never you build a house for no woman land.
Tell them again, Mr. Never rank. Mr. Never rank. Tell them again. Tell them again.
I say,
never
a man build house
for a woman land. Hey, okay, all right then.
Buy you one land and build house yourself.
That's right.
The woman come there with you, I'll live there with her. Even your wife.
That's
and act up, I'll throw him out.
Throw her out. Seal. All right, big up yourself.
No make him come back.
No make
him come back.
No make she come back. She. No make she come back. She.
Facts. Well, no.
Yeah.
I don't know.
All right, Mr. Never
And
Wrong.
it never you build house for a woman that.
All right, point taken. All right, Mr.
Never you build house.
Yes, Mr. Never Wrong. All right, big up yourself here. All right, Mr. Never Wrong. Cool. Into Maya. Into Maya. Come into my... Hey, you know a Rasta virgin I say, you're gonna love out them song them. Yo, next call, President Rinse. Hey, hello?
Raga.
Wagwan.
What?
That's spicy. What you say? Yeah, what are you call it? Your husband sweet, you come. I know you're weak for Mr. Never Wrong, you know. I know you're weak for Mr. Never Wrong. I know say you love off Mr. Never Wrong, that's why you laugh, no?
I support to like Mr. Never Wrong no love me, because guess what? Jamaica me there. And Mr. Never Wrong now go save 500 like come give me.
Yeah.
So right?
Yeah, and people like you, Mr. Never Wrong, I talk about. You know, Mr. Never Wrong always give it to Jamaican woman and I say, and I move right. And people like you, man, we build house for you, and you run out the man, and you want a man to come build house on your land. And people like you.
Jesus, take me, Lord, here I am.
Yeah.
Jesus, some ask you a good question. So if my generation and they left piece of land, why me for go take money and go buy land and he can build a house on the land? If him not do good, me try him over, if him do good, him can stay. Simple one, too.
No, but Mr. Never Wrong a business where you are say, him just a tell man say, don't build no house on the woman land because people like you, the man will build house on your land and they ain't like him and fling him out and keep the house on your land. And that Mr. Never Wrong I say, what wrong with what the man I say? What wrong with what the man I say?
Hey. Me never said nothing wrong with it. Me never said nothing wrong with it because me see that happen in real life. Me never said nothing wrong with it.
Oh, okay.
In real life.
Because...
And when Mr. Never Wrong said no, that's true because you have some man spend their money and send woman go to school, the woman this the man.
Wait, so, hold on. So what is your take on that? Should men do that?
Brother, you see right now, me tell you the honest truth. Me only do it if me a man. You hard. Me not gonna encourage a man to do it, brother. Me not gonna encourage a man to do it.
You as a woman, I say you not encourage man for go take up the money and send woman go school for years and years and years. So you don't do it.
Don't do it.
Why?
Raga, after the man works so hard, sometimes at some 95, sometimes the man can't even sleep.
See.
And when the woman done, Raga, the woman this the man, Raga, and gone, no thank no thing so.
But what if some woman are listening and say, no, we not gonna really do that. Nobody use a broad brush and say that because I don't say every woman steal. Why for you know?
Raga, the good suffer for the bad. The good suffer for the bad.
Okay.
One apple spoil the whole basket.
See it there. See.
And
one
you know
apple.
Come from Waterhouse.
One apple spoil the whole basket.
Yeah, but you don't say one bad apple spoil the whole basket.
So why you throw word pan Mariska Dennis for?
Raga, me not throw word. Raga, me not throw word because my back big and broad like ticks. Me not throw
No,
word.
your back don't big and broad because you're fine a little bit.
Yeah, but my back, I will find a little bit bigger. Me not throw word because you see the woman talk about the swiping and the man.
Yeah.
The woman talk about the swiping about the Rasta man and they lick him left, right, and center.
And what you say? Whop up the Rasta man, don't?
Yeah, whop him up, brother. That's so, the contest you come from Waterhouse and you this and you that. Enough of them are doing it.
So what the man did? So what wrong with the man? Say the man I say, yo, the man just say, yo, you can't be Rasta, you can't be a real Rasta if you eat the jojo. What you think something wrong with what him I say?
Of course, because guess what? He's going to attack him not even real Rasta. Right?
What you mean? What you mean? Him a real Rasta? The man say him a real Rasta and thing. Look how much woman the man say I try bring that to him and the man say him have to let them go because him not do them things.
Raga, you not expect 10 out of 20 man to come say yes, them do it. You don't expect that because no for them do it.
No, hold on. I can't believe you said a caller they do it and who calling.
Brother, me never say him do it, me say you can't expect 10 out of 20 because no for the man do things and say them not do it, Raga. When you lock up the door, nobody knows what go on in there.
So you say enough of that go on, enough of the man them do it and say them not do it, no?
Exactly, and he lick him. That's why I call him. Up to now, he can't explain himself. All you ask him what is a real Rasta. Up to now, he can't explain himself what your question I ask him. Eh? Come on.
The man say my foundation Rasta. The man say my Martin plan a Rasta. The man say my foundation. I don't know which mansion him hail from and Ting and whatever, if a 12 driver Orthodox or whatever. But the man say, the man found. Basically, the man say, the man basically I say, right, modern time right now I make some Rasta gears out the thing and now follow the precepts of the thing and the levity and thing and them Nazarene vow and all these things and whatever. And I get indulge in a certain thing where I say Rasta nothing in it. Man I say Rasta, nothing go down there so with them mouth. And that the man I say. And you're going like you have a problem with the general. Eh?
Of course, because I guess I'm come up for the 7 Rasta. Because all my talking like him upon the 7 Rasta.
Him upon the what?
The 7. The 7?
No. Him and a Rasta. You can't. No, you don't know. Feel. Don't even go with that disrespect. You can disagree with the caller, but don't even go include him with that person, that 7 person. Because him an idiot. All right.
That's the official said this when you're fool to Raga because when him time make no sense Raga because guess what? The lady does talk and she not even talk done good. The word not even drop good. You say you lick the nail on the head. The woman lick the nail on the head.
No, but what I'm saying is he's free to disagree. Him not the man. All the man are saying. The man, him never did say anything. For say what he might just say based on theme understanding of Rastafari.
And him understanding not going nowhere. Raga,
if the man, if you have man up here now, I tie up them not in a ponytail and I bend them on them knee and I slurp up a thing, he must say them on a Rasta. He's entitled to that.
Know the man?
Eh? No, I don't know him personally.
Oh, so guess what? Him can't say anything because guess what? You don't know him.
Okay.
Right?
All right, real quickly do it before you let go. You know say, me I post up some classic on Ragashanti TV and the last 2 classic me post up, you call in pan them, This are from 11 years ago, at An Spicy.
Me granny dog.
Yeah, man, the last 2, one of them you call in and I say you want a man swipe you because your friend them tell you about it and you want your 2 of them drop off too and you want some good swipe. This are from January 2011,
I'm tell Raga, I say Raga, you see, until me get swiping till me stop get swiping till right and I'm gonna mind get little right now.
Well, and since them time that you get swiping and stop get swiping, I know you don't get back some more right now, don't?
Me tell Raga.
Okay, well, see. You see how much things happen in 11 years, though? Yeah.
Me tell you know long my rain no do Raga?
No long you're rain. What you say? A long time you're rain no Jew, no?
Long time you rain no Jew.
No, you see that talk the way you make is that something like I saw Seki Bakami used to talk, them code type of code that she used, When you say a long time you're rain no Jew, no?
Long time you rain no Jew, Raga.
No, right I know, you don't even deserve a rain Jew. What you know, you want a Dunge River Falls. You talk about rain Jew. Rain Jew a small thing right now. Rain Jew just a kind of moist up the place. Right you know what you need is a Dunge River Falls. Yeah. Proper thing, no.
Proper thing. You know so, eh?
Anyway,
I tell you.
President beat me say we have to go take a break, do hot and spicy and things. So big up yourself, You hear me?
Yeah, man, President, go ahead. Every minute you got to call, every minute you got to bathroom like you have weak bladder. Go ahead.
Beat him, hot and spicy, beat him. Come when the camera turn over. When the camera turn over. The camera down. Even though it's my fault, I mean make the camera turn over, And the people, we can't see you. But just start ball out him name. And make you know say him no there.
Wait. I'm afraid. You're going to send them come dash by you.
What you say, weak blood I'm have done. I run, go bathroom, done.
Yeah.
I go like him. Yeah, Susumba, because I go like him have a UTI.
Yeah. I'm so Susumba got dash by you. Go
So wait, what Susumba have to do with weak bladder? How that go?
No more, you dash panic at you love Okobia.
All right, big up yourself. Susumba. You know, Susumba, me try to remember how Susumba look. I like some green peas, something.
Some people call it gully bean.
Gully bean, yeah. When we go Ethiopia, I'm talk to a brethren, Desmond Martin. All 12 tribes people who know about Desmond Martin who go Ethiopia 40 odd years ago. And thing, say, him did show me back Susumba when we go Shashamania, Ethiopia, and say Susumba, you know, and think everything we have a Jamaica, we have a Ethiopia and thing or whatever. Yo, I thought Spice, you remember Galawas?
Yeah, Raga, yes. Remember, if you dig the dirt, come I time in Raga, you see Galawas underneath it in Raga.
Me not see Galawas a foreign, you know.
No, because it's a residential area.
Okay. All right. Big up yourself here at that Spicy. Blessings.
Yes, my love. Big up yourself. I'm so much to cook tomorrow. Some diesel rice.
See it there? Hey, hold on. You can't get the Haitian them so somebody tell them, but see somebody them get bringly, you know. You didn't know that?
Man, me know, but we can't afford to see somebody old on the tree, Raga. Not to pick them.
No, them literally Haitians up here, I come find out that, you know, when you bring Susumba to them literally get like boomy and afraid. Them afraid of it. Them don't know with Susumba. Yeah, with them bosom. Yeah, the Susumba, them can't believe that Jamaicans eat it, you know.
I'm if you tell you it's nice.
No, I tell you, Haitians up here, them can't believe that Jamaicans eat Susumba. Anyway, bless up yourself here.
Yes, me good man. Bless up yourself too.
Long time, Gross Michelle signing out for you, Hot and Spicy. People, we're running a look break right now. We're soon forward. Man thing.
Yo, this is Shaggy. Yeah, out to many one music, baby. You're listening to IrieJam Radio. Yeah, number one. Yeah.
If the feeling is good, I want to hear you say
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yo, they are juggled down in the last half of the thing. Yo, me like it, sure the energy just nice and all these things and thing. We love the flavor and thing. Big up Poof, big up, you know. Big up all TamFamers out there, bless upon yourself. Richie Rebel, big up your seminar, Richie Rebel. Me not want a Richie Rebel shirt. Who can see it on the video? See it? Am I... Go from here, so when I see the t-shirt on the video, no? My brother Richie Rebel, I run him thing, you know? Start a little thing and whatever, I'm running business and thing. We want to say, enough respect to the people who go out there and start something and batter with something and push with something and struggle with something and go through ups and downs with something and push and I try. We want to say enough respect to the item who out there. And do remember, you know, we live in a day and age, you know, where getting information is not the problem. We have a thing out there named the internet and whatever, where you can find information about anything. Right? Start a thing. You may not continue with the thing where you start, but by starting a thing, that thing that can lead to a next thing, and so it go. And you build from that, right? Or you can start a thing and the thing take off and then you expand the thing and then you kind of branch out with the thing. And you understand? Hey, I'm telling about one woman, I always keep in that story, you know. When we live at West Kingston, you know, you did have a woman who used to sell cigarettes, you know. She started with craving it alone. All right? She started with craving it alone. And then she started selling, she walk around with a pack of craving and selling one. Then she start walk around with two different times, Mataran and craving. Then she start with one. You don't know about one. Someone probably too young to know about them cigarettes, but I'm going to call two more cigarettes. And sometimes I say some things and someone say, oh, I don't know about that and thing. Listen to me. My whole land no phone, because someone write me email. I've never heard of so and so. Why may I write somebody what they are not telling about Peter Red and Peter Blue? What is that you're talking about? Listen to me, I'm telling you something and thing and whatever, and listen to me, I know what I say. Who out there know what I talk about? So the woman, she start with a pack of craving here. And then she have more than one pack. And then she add Mataran to it. And then she add on one cigarette near Ratman. I don't know if someone probably don't know about that. Just work with me. Then she add one cigarette near Benson. So I know say a long time something I'm telling about, you know. So 4 different cigarettes she sell now in Jamaica, you know. Craving name, Mataran, Ratman, and Benson. And she go on till one time I see her and thing and somebody pinch me and say, you know, say, she down near to Curry there and whatever, this and that. But if you come down from Spanish Town Road, them say she down near to Curry. When we go down there, my lady have a little style. No, when me say she didn't have a style, a little box thing where she walk with. And when she walk with a box thing there, she did sell some cookie. You have some cookie where we used to eat at Jamaica, some little round brown cookie, them did popular. And she sell cookie. I want one red and white sweetie where we call mint ball. Some did have some look green and white one too, but the popular one them was red and white. And that's how she expand. And then she had start sell banana chips, cheese tricks, and cheese crunches. Right? And she did the school as them, she used to sell them asham. Our next something, I forgot what our next something the name or whatever. Until she have a little stall. And she work with a little stall until the stall get bigger. And she sell a whole heap of little thing and the stall she get to a different style, the stall get bigger. Till she get 2 stalls and have them beside one another. Here, me tell you where the woman come from. A pack of craving here she come from. And one time now, I don't see her and thing and whatever, because me the travel and thing and forward and I go, I don't see her. And I ask her and whatever, somebody say, no, you know, say she have one little shop. And I say, lie. And I say, yeah, man, and they must have boom and tell me the shop there. I go over there. And Goody have a little shop and all these things and whatever. Woman a bill from a pack of craving here, you know. One time I go back to the shop now, because I travel look back and forth, I go back to the shop, and one time I said to her, I say, boy, look where you come from, a pack of craving and people would even know one thing and whatever. But it look like you balance out to the shop here, man. And she said, yeah, I stop right here, so, you know. I go to just a shop here. And I say, you stop here, so. She said, yeah, I stop here, so at the shop. And she did a sweep. You know, that's something that when them sprinkle up a place at Jamaica and sweep out of a shop and whatever. And we did and we did a beat of Guineas and thing, and hot Guineas and whatever. And it's a good while after she come round and she have the broom in her and like she do something and she said, listen, you know, say me have 2 other shop. But don't you say you can't make people know where you know, But yeah, man, me still a bill, man. Me have 2 other shop, but nobody no know say me own them. You hear me, I say, people? And a one pack of craving here shall come from. That's why I tell you, say, some of you have some good ideas and you shoot out. Some of you have some good ideas and you're afraid of failure. Failure a stepping stone for growth and success. If you not fail, you not try. So once you not try, you not go try things and them don't work. A part of the game. Everybody who you see out there, whether it's from a shop, somebody who want to look a shop, right up to Elon Musk or whoever thing, them feel enough time. Look on Google and all them places and Facebook. Multi-billion-dollar company. Apple $1 trillion company. Enough thing them try and fail. And when them fail and don't even make nobody, then just take time to draw what they something with them. So if you shove out, and nobody make them no doubt in our mind. But say, yo, I wonder if it not work, and just shove out. And what me always say, start where you are. Use what you have. And do what you can. Start where you are. Start right there. So even if a little bit and a little chips and things, if a bag juice, you can sell, I don't care. If you're going to crush something, I don't care. Start where you're there. If I even one thing you're going to make, and sell that one thing there. You know what people there at Jamaica, I see start and all, I send 2 pieces of clothes out of car trunk or I walk and I sell and whatever. No found when I say Bush Stewart who dead and gone and left sandals and ATL for him son Adam a run right here now and whatever. I don't know about Stewart. But Stewart used to walk around and lick out wall. I put in AC and all them something there. No found when I say best dressed chicken. You know, how much billions best dressed chicken make at Jamaica and whatever. Them they leave it, them and them people. I want to look a foul farm them start with and build them thing. Shoot out. If you have to start small, start small. Shoot out. Find something where you love. And when you shoot out again, be reminded you're going to have disappointment. But when the disappointment them come, it's not the disappointment or how you deal with the disappointment, where you learn from the disappointment. And when the disappointment come, it may make you have to keep something and Lego something. It may make you have to keep part and Lego part. He may make you have to leg down another little part there and try something else again. And you keep push. I saw the game go on. When me just come in the country and whatever and this and that, me didn't want to go school and thing and say, yo, me don't want to gears out or something, you know. And me I say, you know, I say, me want to get in a college and whatever. And me go say, Ray, I move for Canada and this and that and couldn't even get in a college and thing and whatever. And at the end of the day, me I say, you know, I say, me have to go, me have a disappointment and couldn't reach this and so, me say, all right, me have to go start at the community college. When we start at the community college and all these things and whatever, I want to study psychology, you have to take some compulsory mathematics thing where always a beat me. And the class, them a beat me to class, and I just go to the professor and say, you know, so them class, you beat me, I'm going to need some extra help. And him give me a link with one tutor, and I saw the tutor help me and see. Because I did I feel a part of the journey that. And I saw me get the extra help and do the thing and whatever. Northwestern Connecticut Community College. And I saw after one woman come to me, cause you see when you push to, it's like the universe and the thing them just start going in your favor. Anyway you have the energy you push, it's like something must heal. It not going to heal smoothly all the time, you know, but something not going to heal. The trick is to keep pushing. If water drip out of pipe and concrete, just water drip. And if the water there drip, 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 after 10 years of drip, the concrete they are going to bust up. Because the water just keep on a drip, a drip, a drip, a drip. And if you have the confidence there. And when dirty people are throw their mouth on you and thing and whatever, when you pursue your thing and whatever, and sitting and whatever, you gotta have some little naysayers. You gotta have some people who don't have the confidence there and whatever, and just a project for them insecurity upon you, and for them lack of drive and ambition upon you and whatever. Recognize the nastiness them and avoid them. Go around them. And when you see the negative energy that come off of you, stop telling them your business. Don't make them know your growth and whatever. Work by your thing differently. You understand what I say? Shoot out. The internet have everything we need for know right now. Only may have to filter the information because there is so much there. But shoot out with something. And stick to it. And want to work, eventually you have to let it go. But don't need to let go that and shift on to something else again and go and be little. And I saw when me there, I look at community college, one woman come to me and she said, you know, you really shouldn't be here. I nearly cuss out her nastiness, you know, because I think I'm bright, she come a bright with the general, you know. I think I pass her place, you know. I mean, I go send her up somewhere, you know, whatever, you know. And man just clutch and let go that little temper thing and whatever. I look the woman and look out for me. Look the woman and look out for me. That me I tell you, when you start pushing whatever and people see the energy and whatever, some people just want to be a part of that drive there because you're positive and you move forward. And I saw the woman say, you know, you're 5 Theta Kappa. And I said, excuse me, what is that? She said 5 Theta Kappa is a community college version of the honor society. Your grade is above a 3.5. She said, apply to a 4-year university. And I said, no, you know, say, at the associate degree me I work on first. She said, apply to a 4-year university now. Look, encouragement. And I saw the woman push me. And I said, all right, I'm going to take that SAT something. Boom, bam, 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 bam. Get in a Vassar College, full scholarship and thing. Left Vassar College, go to University of Connecticut, Masters, Ph.D. Listen to me, people. Start small and push with the thing. I know say you have to go work hard for that. Right? When I had my PhD, I work full-time and I go school full-time. I be a generalship. My 1 hour from work was a class and them don't know. I asked them for 1.5 hours one time because at that time the class lasts for. And tell them, say, me we work an extra half hour in the evening and I make them know why is I say school me I go. Yeah! You have to have that look hungry and a push and a drive. They say, yo, me I go for that something. I nah, let it go. Shove out, people. Shove out. And when you shove out, do not be afraid to fail upon your journey. Failing at several instances is evidence say you push and you grow. You try things and some of them not work. And enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. Laugh, learn and grow, Raga say. Laugh, learn and grow. Me love laugh. And there's a reason why me love laugh. Right? Me go through too much in my life and me to reach a point where I say, you know, so me I go laugh every day. Me go Alpha Tree jail, Constant Spring jail, and Stone Hill jail. People beat me up and thing, them fire shot off of me down a south and all. Me have to run for my life. Me get stabbed up, me stab up people. I go through all kind of things and whatever. So me give thanks to my life right now when me laugh every day because that relaxes me. And then me go read one study where say people who laugh every day, they have better sex. Me right at that time me start laugh. Yeah, me read one thing where say man who laugh every day, it help them body to stand up and them to have good sex. And lucky, I mean say laugh. Respect to my body. But that is a different matter, okay? But when me I say people wanna shoot out, start a thing and push a thing and shoot out. You're lucky for living at them time here with a something you name internet and all these things. If you don't know, ask question. Start something and build it. Start where you are. Use what you have. And do what you can. And build from this. So. And don't afraid to fail. It's just that when failure come, you learn from it. And you use that as a trampoline. A catapult. That give you momentum and you push forward. All right? No, me not sound if you just go kill off on yourself out there, but you have to work hard. And you have to have a little thing where you love and a little passion and thing where you can say, yo, you're going to stay with this. And it kind of help for you have something where you like so that when pressure reach you, because you like it, you're more likely to stay with it. It kind of help if you do something along them lines. All right? Start where you are. Start right now. Use what you have even if a little bit. And do what you can with a little bit. And as you're doing, you got to get some disappointment and thing. But the disappointment are evident, so you push. And make it happen. And as you go through, enjoy the journey, enjoy the learning, enjoy the education, enjoy the ride. And laugh and enjoy on yourself. And nobody come with them big dumper truck of stress, come drown you down and put you in a gutter and all them something like on a board ass, plyboard board ass. Big up on yourself, you know, people. And do remember, say Monday again, Bridge 99 FM, and I don't know the levels, all right? Monday again, people, and I don't know, say Monday do at 9 o'clock at Jamaica scene. And of course, my broadcast from the IrieJam studio in New York, and the thing is available international. So, the bridge99fm.com, that's how the thing lock, or the IrieJam radio app, 360 app. Big up on the cell, people, and I don't know, say Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I saw the thing set on the bridge. On Thursdays, it's all about Ragashanti TV, my channel, on YouTube. I remember someone if you go over there and subscribe to that, all right? Subscribe to Ragashanti TV and TamFam TV on YouTube. And click the bell too. And balance up on the thing. And remember, keep on the bathroom clean. Scrub on the bathroom good. Some of the black mark down on the bathroom, something that not gonna work. You understand? Scour on the bathroom good. Bathroom for clean. And that me say. Alright. I want to must have some good loving. And sort out and thing. And ladies, if you have a man who do this something, and him say, don't tell nobody, don't tell your friend all when them a dry you out. Alright? And men do the same thing too. Take care of yourself. And the madman Ragashanti, big up on yourself. Next week Friday, DJ Chris Cross are coming in a town in New York. A Queen Dave party. Me go over there and think, give him some support. And think that next week Friday. Alright? Bless up on yourself, people. Mad thing. Well, and the president good? Okay. President never eat no food tonight, you know, people. I just some juice in work with. Probably that's why I did aunt it. So take care of yourself, people. Out the road, me say, all right. Blessings and things, ratings and max. All time farmers, big up. Mad something. Why-oy?